Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing today? Sorry about that. Finnegan, he was already out this morning. Just like humans can't make their mind up what the fuck they want to do in life. So anyways, enough about that, my little boy. Hey, gotta love dogs. Okay, let's get this muted. Let's get these bunk ass commercials off here. Or not. Whatever. Wait for that thing. Here we go. So, anyways, my friends, wolves, how you guys doing this morning? Hey? How's it going? How's it going? Morning, everybody. Wow, there's a whack of us in here as usual. Okay, so let me get what do I have closed caption on here? What the hell's going on here? I'm not that old right now. I didn't know how to take it off. Whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna get set up here. Oh, mark it open. Mark it open in a minute, second here. Okay. Okay, let's get this set up. Sorry about being a little bit off. I tried to get our go wolf pack. So I tried to get the wolf sound going, but I don't know where it is. I have no idea. I was the Christmas video. I was messing with that yesterday. It's done. It's awesome. It's awesome stuff. But the thing is there's just some editing that has to be done. Holy crow! Someone just made a donation overnight to the channel. Wow! Thank you. I don't even know who it's from or what it's for. How much? That's a whack of gold sitting there. I can see it in the back screen there. Commercial. Okay, so anyways, let's get this set up for you guys. The apes munching on crayons again. Got to see that one. That guy's hilarious. Okay, thank you for everybody that's on Twitter that's following me. I know I don't have that many people on there because I just got on Twitter not that long ago. It's been a little bit now, but I don't really use it except for cross-posting. Okay, my friends. Okay, let's get over to fucking our buddies Reddit. They read it all right. They read everything backwards. They don't know how to read, I don't think, on here. But anyways, let's go over to our this group's not bad. Wall Street Breakers isn't bad at all. Okay, this is Tendy Town. Okay, we'll go back in here. We'll go to our AMC mods. Actually, we got it's weird. You know how we have this big fight with Reddit, right? It's not me that started it. It's fucking Review Douche. Fucking, he's the one that started this shit with Reddit, man. And just every YouTuber, fucking, they just attack us, man. Like we're the enemies. But yeah, I've gotten backlash even from him, man. I've had people straight up come and say, like, read a comment on my video or something, even if it doesn't matter what it's about. Why don't you YouTubers stay on your side of the world? We don't want you on Reddit. We own Reddit. This is our platform. You guys. So I'm like, holy crow. And then they mention his name right away. And I'm like, whoa, dude. Do I talk like I'm gay? Like, fuck. That guy can't even talk. He talks like fucking a homo. Nothing against that stuff, but because my cousin's one. It's transsexual. But I'm just saying he talks like a fucking idiot. So anyways, Not that he probably is, but anyways, my friends, love y'all. So what's going on here? What did I do now? Back over here. Okay. Okay, my friends. If you hear traffic and a thing going by, the window's open and it's freezing in here, and okay. Okie dokie. Probably shouldn't have said that on YouTube, but it is what it is. I don't really care. It's our channel, so it is what it is. Okay, Sanjay, good morning, and thank you for the heads up on that video, the piano playing. Actually, that was me that put that in there. I don't know how it sounds because I'm gonna go back and listen to it. Thanks for all the love, guys. Thanks for all the likes right away. Holy shit, just cranking up the wall. Holy crap! Thank you, guys. Holy crow! Wow, that's like double what it usually is. Wow, everybody in the Christmas spirit. So what I wanted to say is we're doing a test run with YouTube. We're in a pilot program with them. They're testing out some new software, and I opted into it. Well, we don't get paid anything for it, but our channel gets put onto the live frame of YouTube. There's a million people on it, but now we're one of those live channels now on there. They picked our channel out, so not that we're anything special or anything like that. They just randomly generator picks out channels to test out beta software on. So that's what that is. It's a beta test. How did it sound? I didn't even have a chance to look for it. It took 2 hours to render, to put that in there in the video. So I can always remove it. I just have to hit a remove button. It already came up this morning. If I don't like it, I just wanted to run a test run on it. So they want to start. There's free music, or I don't know, uncopyrighted music or some fucking thing. I don't know what it is. So anyways, enough about that. Sanjay, thank you for that test. Good morning. I'm going to work up from the bottom up. Good morning, Warren, Mr. L. Glock, Jerry. Oh, Mexican boss. Brother, were you on Telly.20 the other day, bro? Was that you? Doing that Mexican shit up in that house, man? Was that you, dude? With the Heat Father and Telly 2.0 on YouTube? I watched that documentary. I remember Telly's channel, man. When he first started, it only has like 120 subs or something like that right now. Good morning, Tam. Is your stocks frozen? Oh, I could be frozen. Yeah, I could be frozen. I could be, buddy. I could be. It could be. Yeah, it could be. There she go. Oh, yeah, maybe. There you go, brother. Give me a second here. I do need to get rid of some of this crap off here. Let's get rid of this one. And we're not like echoing or anything, are we? Do we got the echo shit going on here? Okay, there we go. We'll refresh it one more time for you there. Test. There you go. Thanks, guys. So, if it was frozen, that's awesome. JP, good morning. Jerry, good morning. Wow, can't see straight here. That's what happens when you're welding. Lord Kong is in the house. Jonathan, good morning, brother. I watched your channel the other day too. If you guys like prospecting stuff, go throw him some love on YouTube. Go throw JP some love. Those guys need a lot of love from down in the south, man. Gets lonely down there. Cryptos, Citizen T, what's up, brother? We need to do our video chat together, T. So if you want to, Stephanie T is in the house too. So hey, T, do you want to send me your time when you're available, brother? Sorry about that. As you know that I'm back to work now, as you already know that. So if you want to do it today, we could wrap that up. Would be freaking awesome. Richard, you too, dude. Let's do today. D, do you want to do today? So if you guys want to send me your times to my email, would be awesome. If not, we can do always after work. I just prefer not to, but we can. Let's wrap it today if we can. Okay. Stephanie already said. Okay, JP's in the house too. Mr. LK, how you doing? MC, how you doing, brother? How are you and the wife doing, man? It was a good talk yesterday, or not yesterday. Yeah, when we talked to you on our VIP channel. Oh, guys, that was a good turnout yesterday on the VIP channel. We got a lot of stuff talked about. Holy crow, I got so much stuff. Wow, like I got. Every time I do that, I give myself so much work to do. Like, oh my God. Gloria, good morning. There's some things we got to work on. Raphael. Because, yeah, oh, I shouldn't. Somebody offered to buy that list off me. Oh, fuck. I'm not going to tell you what they offered, and as if they would pay that, but it's somebody that I don't recognize, though, on our channel. It's kind of weird. I've never seen that email before, so. It came from Florida. I did a back check on it on the IP address, reverse lookup or whatever you want to call it. Came from Florida, so I don't know. Michael, good morning. Tess, good morning. Proud, good morning. Jamal, good morning. Mr. L, I already said. Wow. Oh, look at that. Just windy as hell. It's like -20 here right now. Okay, I'm just going through everything. Jonathan, Warren, Proud, good morning. Didn't want to miss you. Okay, had a great Christmas. I did. Like I said, I had nobody in my house for Christmas. Nobody showed up. Kay, you should have been sent an email. I don't know if not, then just sit. Have you gotten any of the email? Have you gotten any of the notifications, Kay? Because you're a member, you should get it. If you haven't, send me or send Christopher your email. But if have you gotten any of? You've been on the chat before, haven't you? Okay, so anyways, okay, I have Warren, I'm gonna ask you for a favor, and anybody that sees Alina out there, okay, she's out there, she's stock market channel surfing. she's making friends on other channel. I'm just joking. What happened is Jerry and Tess had issues with YouTube, that they couldn't talk on the chat bar, that it happens, right? It happens to a lot. I've talked to a couple other creators. It happens. I don't know what the fuck it is, but they get unsubbed for some reason. You have to sub and then sub back in, or there's a glitch in the system. And she wrote me an email, and I wrote her back, but she hasn't opened it yet because I have an email checker, right, to tell me when my emails are open. So yeah. The other thing is I just want to get a hold of her and tell her, like, she thinks that we're upset at her, and I'm like, just because how would she same as I think Tess was like, what the fuck, did you block me? No, I didn't. If I would block you, you would know. Okay, it doesn't work like that. You can't log back onto the channel. It just disappears out of your server. You put it in, you can't see it. Okay, so and I just wanted to say that I would tell somebody straight up if I blocked them. I'd tell you I didn't like you, right? So, anyways, I just wanted to, if you see her on Tony T's channel or anything, yeah, so I just wanted to, okay, Citizen, just Christopher will get Citizen's T's email too. Have you ever got one, T? Because if you guys got them before, go check your spam and stuff. Like, you guys got to check that stuff first, okay, my friends? MG, what's up? How you doing, brother? So, Boston Strong 79's in the house. Yeah, you were invited for one WebEx. Well, you should have been on the same list. I would check your Christopher will check to see if it was sent, but when you're on that master list, it just goes to you, right? We don't put it all in. It just it's a master list. It's all encrypted shit. Oh, what's going on here? Why is there a blur on the screen? What the hell is that? Is that my monitor that's fucking up? Oh, I think my monitor's packing. No, it can't be. What the hell? That's weird. I'm just gonna log out of. Yeah, my monitor's messed up. Weird. Yeah. Well, looks like I need a new monitor. Okay, my friends. Fuck off. Oh, it's gonna kill me. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I think I need a new monitor. Oh, she's gonna kill. No, there's nothing wrong. That's weird. I was gonna say she's gonna kill me because I'm going by a 4K one. I always upgrade. I don't downgrade. Okay, I gotta shut this window. It's freaking cold over here. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, my friends, I need a coffee break. Jonathan, you didn't either? Okay. He'll add you. That's why we're working out the bugs. Tess, did you get an email, bro? You checked your junk? Okay. It's all good. We'll make sure. This is why we run test runs on this stuff. Okay, my friends? Like, we do have our shit together on this channel, I think, sort of. What I will do is, Christopher, you want to email sent? Okay. And D2, yeah. Oh, you did send that email for our meetup? And I missed you, D. I missed talking to you. It's been a while. So, no, you didn't. Okay, so Jonathan, Christopher's going to throw his email up. I'm going to pin it to the top. And like I said, everybody is welcome to the channel. Every sub on the channel is welcome to the VIP. Our other server is not connected to YouTube at all, but the day of the squeeze, or even a couple days before, in the next couple weeks, the code's going to be changing. Okay, you will only be allowed in there unless you're a full patch member. You have a wolf pack icon beside your name. Okay, that's the only way you'll be allowed in that server, because it is how it is, right? It is because of the software we're using and all of that kind of stuff and the time put in, and that has nothing to do with myself. That is Christopher. He's our IT for the channel, and he deals with all of that stuff. That's why he deals with all the emails. You guys don't want me dealing with that stuff. So, you checked it. Okay, we got another one here. Christopher, if you have Christopher's email, he's going to throw it up on the board here. Did he? Throw your email up, my friend Christopher. Oh, he can pin it too. I think he can. He's a moderator, so. Oh yeah. I will also checking subs and removing anyone non-VIP members on the squeeze video. Okay, there you go. So yeah, it is what it is, my friends. Like I said, we've taken the cost down to the lowest you can on YouTube, the package. Miss me, hi, how you doing? So yeah, it's gone down to like $1.99. That's the lowest price you can even put on YouTube for a channel thing. The standard rate is I had to write them a letter to get it changed, like application, to justify why I wasn't using one of their package deals, right? So we had to make our own price up, and you have to submit it. It's like that, right? It has to be passed. So I told them that it's not fair with the time of year, and just, yeah. So here's Christopher's email, my friends. It's going right to the top. Replace pinned. Okay, boom. Right to the top. Okay, my friends. And just to be crystal clear, subs on the channel, it doesn't change when the squeeze happens. You're treated the same if you do not have a badge, a full patch membership. Hi CD, how you doing? You're not treated or discriminated against. And if you are, you personally message me. If somebody you be offended or something like that, personally message me and I will deal with it, okay? There's zero tolerance for bullying and harassment on this channel, okay? But you do have to take in consideration and in mind that we got a bunch of smart asses on here like myself, so things might be taken the wrong way, but I will look into everything like that, and it's just zero tolerance. We're here to make friends and make money, and it is what it is. I can't pin. I got it, Christopher. It's already up there, brother. I got her. I'll double check it. Yeah, it's right there. Okay, so like I said, in the squeeze, it's not going to change anything. Even if you aren't a member and all that stuff, a full patch member. I also have to discuss this for the next little bit here. The channel, you can just stay on there and you can whatever. You don't have to do anything, right? But you will not have access to our numbers. We're working on a numbers list right now. We're crunching a bunch of numbers here. We've got some good stuff that we came up with yesterday on these prices, what it's going to go to. We definitely know the prices it's not going to go to. Okay, we've done some number crunching. I've already knew that, but we were on the channel. We just had to get everybody on the same page. I just had to show some information. And I think I showed the correct information, and it is what it is, right? We crunched some numbers and some people were like, holy shit, right? So, yeah. And we got some tactics I've kind of showed you the channel about, that what not to do, how to fuck your head up in the squeeze and stuff. We have some other information. We're going through our master list of who's sold, the AMC officials, the people that work there, own it. Also the institutional members. We know there's a new whale, right? A big whale is not number one. The BlackRock and Vanguard aren't number one anymore. Okay, there's a new whale on the street. Okay, they bought almost double what they're number one. They bought double the shares that BlackRock and Vanguard. So there are a potential threat to us. I don't know if a lot of people know that, but we have a system that I'm coming up with. I'm just in the middle of making it right now. I'm adding up all the institutions, all their shares. And when they sell, it's going to be knowledge, right? Because I have my ins and between you guys and mine. So what that is all about is we're going to know. We're gonna know when the squeeze is gonna hits the bottom, or it's gonna taper down to where you're losing all your money, to when to sell. We're gonna know that stuff around the realm of it, right? It's gonna be a little hard to do, but once I get those numbers in, I got it. So it is what it is. Like I said, that we're gonna know whether to hold or to execute our positions, to get the fuck out of there and start counting our money, right? So it is what it is. It's not going to be really common knowledge right away who dumps. It takes a week, right? We do have some personal information, so it is what it is. Like I said, for instance, like if BlackRock dumps, right, and we still have the two big whales, we see it downpull and then we see it ripping, right, and it rips right up to an insane number. We know that that's the time to get the hell out of there, because if those two dump, it's over. It's done. The squeeze is done. It's going to collapse so frigging fast when that happens, okay? And it's not going to be during hours, okay? They have to make applications and apply for it. It'll be after hours these guys sell. They will not sell on an open market. You guys got to know that, okay? They will not. So when you'll wake up in the morning, it could be potentially at thousands and thousands of percent, okay? Then you wake up in the morning and it's over, okay? That fast. There's no breakers. It can go back down to it'll probably sit around 80 to 150, 60 bucks, okay? For probably maybe up to a month and a half, okay? The reason why, 3/4 to half the people are going to be sitting on a squeeze that's never going to be happening. And when I say that, because it's already over, okay? It's going to be sad. There's going to be a lot of people that miss out on this squeeze, okay? Because they're going to be waiting for these numbers that will never happen. And I'm not trying to say that they're low numbers. We got our numbers. We got our number. Don't worry, we're going to be making multiple millions. We got to wait. We got a system, okay? It's all good. We talked about it the other night. I got a way to make almost double the money, okay? So it is what it is. You heard that. Double the money off the squeeze. So I'll get those numbers and we'll be working on it. I will disclose on the channel today who the number, who the big fat whale is, the big one above Vanguard and BlackRock, whatever the fuck it's called. I don't even. Vanguard and BlackRock. So I will disclose that today. I was gonna make a video on it, but fuck it. I don't know. I'm just trying to stay away from clickbait shit. Well, it's not really clickbait, but I'm going to be making a video on probably today. There's some things I need to talk about on there, just about some things. I might get into our master list a bit and go through some stuff. I might, but I will not show that list out. Any questions, my friends? So yeah, just as you know that what happened with AA, Aaron, okay, when he dumped his shares, you know how it collapsed it, okay? That's nothing compared to these institutions, okay? I'm just telling you right now, we hit on the way up, we kicked 2 breakers, right? I watched them. Okay, when we got to that $70, we kicked 2 breakers, and that was nothing. That was mellow. Jay, Cam, do you think start the move? Yeah, I potentially see him selling around there or into January. He does have 95,000 shares left, my friend. And we know that unless he dumped last night when the market opened. Okay, I don't know this stuff until the next day. I do have the information because it has to be filed through the SEC. That's the cool thing about, they actually do their job on some degree. So the documentation and the way that we have it. Miss Me, you just go on the very front of the channel. If you have an iPhone, we've been having problems with that device. So if you go on the front of the channel. If you go on the beginning of the channel, you'll see a join. Hit the cheapest one, the $1.99, the VIP one, not the other one. That one's going to be phased out. It's just that I can't discontinue it because it will kick a whole bunch of people off. Oh, excuse me. And what's going on? How are you? Hey, Jad, how you doing? So yeah, it is what it is. I just wanted to say that when AA dumped, you know how it kicked it down, right? Okay, that was done. They're going to be, okay. The SEC, they sell, and when they sell, they have to they already know it's on after hours. The reason why they keep track of all that stuff is because of fraud, okay? They've had problems, there's rulings that are in effect for that stuff. It has to be done in a certain way. They have to apply for it, and then it hits the office, SE office, and hits their finance department, and then it gets approved. They have to check the shares and all that stuff, and then it gets approved. It takes like a day or two. You can't just walk in there and sell. It doesn't work like that, okay? There's a transition time, okay? I don't know exactly how long it is. Miss Me, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to borrow a phone or go to your computer and log on through a PC or something. There's nothing I can do about that. I'm sorry about that. That's YouTube. That's happened to about 5% of everything. Oh fuck! Did you? Oh shit! Sorry. Fuck. So how did I get the wrong email? You guys. Okay, Christopher, this one's the one going up right now. Christopher's email. Sorry, guys. Correction. Sorry about that. I don't know how that happened. And this Webull thing is the stock screener. I don't support them. You guys know that. I'm just using the stock screener because of the algo vibrations. It is so good. It's the best one out there for that. We need that for our halting, right? I can pretty much see the vibrations right off of that. I can feel it, man. Excuse me. Okay, so Proud had something. Okay. Oh, yes, Mr. L. Yes. Thank you. I told you guys to remind me. Yes, you're on the ball, bro. Thank you so much. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to answer Proud's question here. Cam, how do you know the spread for the best time to sell? Okay, I don't know the time, like as in physical, like minutes, hours. Not that. I'm saying within the volatility and the down pull and up pull of the system, of the candles. The best time is I will not sell my positions, okay? I'll do my share recovery, will be gone off the table. That will be done a long time before this, okay? I'm actually in the squeeze right now, okay? The thing's ripping. We are, say one institution already sold, okay? Say BlackRock are sold, okay? We know that. We'll see it after hours. It won't be in the daytime happen. It won't be. They will not sell in the daytime market. I know that for a fact. I think there's actually rules for that. I think it has to be off exchange hour or off lit exchange hours. So what I wanted to do, or wanted to oh, thanks, D. You're awesome. Richard, are you on here? Brian True, what's up, Richard? I need to talk to you today, brother. I know you tried to plan stuff yesterday. We had a live meeting in that, man, yesterday on our VIP channel. And yeah, the time that you asked was when I was on live. But I did send you an email, but I keep on forgetting your East Coast. You're probably busy. So anyways, back to the squeeze. We know that out of the four, I'm not worried about the other institutions, okay? I can tell you straight up, they're chumps. Okay, they got chump shares. It's not going to do that. It'll have a down pull, but it's not going to potentially collapse the market. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that if they have a reversal on the algorithm vibrations, it is deadly for us. It is extremely deadly. Okay, that is protection on open market for us. It's protected. We've seen it happen before. Okay, that's on the. We're not talking on the way up. Okay, those are good halts. Or no, sorry, reverse, sorry, too early in the morning. On the way up are bad halts. I don't like those, of course. It potentially stops you from making money. Okay, the down pull, the down halts, okay, they are a must. We have to have those there. Like I've said in the past, and it is true, okay? You can even look it up, okay? Because I know all about this stuff because of that trading bot that I was building, okay, that I built, but it's on hold right now until I get some money to protect its rights. Okay, it's like 20 grand starting, so that's irrelevant. So anyways, when we start having that down pull of the algorithm, okay, it halts. That's a cool down period, okay? It stops that vibration, so it slows down and goes back to normal, okay? That's all it is. It's not rocket science, okay? It's a computer program. There's 3 different types of breakers, okay? They're kicked by algorithm waves, okay? After hours, there is none. We know that, okay? The problem is, I'm not worried about the other smaller institutions because they don't have enough pull to pull that algorithm, to reverse it, to do a reversal on the algorithm waves, okay? There's not enough there. But those top, well, there's 4, is there 3 or 4? We'll look at it in a second when I do check out my channeling, when I do the channeling for the day. Okay, for instance, Vanguard dumps, okay? It's going to do a reversal on the waves. 1,000%, 1,000%, okay? That will put us down thousands of percent, okay? You heard me, okay? Huge, huge, huge. You could wake up in the morning and it could be up at thousands of dollars the day before, and you could be down to hundreds just off of one dump from an institution, okay? If they dump it all at once, okay? You guys got to know that. And that could potentially not be the end of the squeeze. I'm just saying, but look what happened with AA. You have to remember the buy button's going to be gone. We already know that. I know that almost 100% positive on that. I showed on the VIP channel why and how. And it has to be because look at this, and I gave some information. I showed them numbers to see what this is going to be if we get to these certain numbers. The world does not have enough money to cover this stuff. Okay, it doesn't. It's just, it would cause a global. You heard me, a global crash. Okay, we already know that. I showed the figures. Okay, so in the channeling, I just wanted to know that. So I know because if the other institutions dump and say we got the 2 big dogs on 2 big whales up on the top board still that haven't sold, I will know because I know how many shares, how much volume goes through the market a day at night. I don't give a fuck about the daytime. That means nothing. The nighttime, I can get the volume from that night. I can tell who dumped, okay? Because I have the share count from the SEC. The actual share count signed and stamped and by all of them, okay, every share. I can pretty much, I won't be able to nail it right to the share, but pretty close within the a couple thousand, 5 to 10,000. So I'll know who's dumped and who hasn't. If those big whales have not dumped yet, let her rip. Keep on going. Keep on. If those bastards dumped, if 2 of them dumped, or like they're still on the top tier, we had 1 dump and it pulled it down, that next day I'm not going to be holding. I can tell you, you guys can do whatever you want, okay? You can do whatever you want because I know how the algorithm system works. If they dump that next night, it's over. It's done, okay? Especially if they dump together, it's done. It's so done, we don't have the fucking power to get the thing back up again. I know how it shorts. It's just a little bit, yeah. It is what it is. You guys do what you want. And that's how I'm going to double my money, okay? So it is what it is. You guys can have your own opinion on stuff. I want you to have your own opinion. You can take my advice, but don't do what I do, okay? You do whatever you think is right, okay? I'm going to leave that up to you, whatever you do, right? It's just the one thing. In the middle of this squeeze, I'll be concentrating because I'm selling too. I'm in my frame of mind. So all this stuff and all this screen, all this setting this stuff up, if he's asked those questions, I'll just ignore you, just so you know. I will not answer those questions on the board, okay? That stuff all needs to be done ahead of time. That's why I've been doing this, okay? So if you haven't done all this stuff that we've talked about, and that's for your protection. You need a hand with it. Message on the board. That's why we're here. We don't charge for it, for getting help with this stuff. When it's in the squeeze, I'm working, okay? I'll only be answering certain questions, right? To do with the actual squeeze. Nothing about the share recovery, nothing about the numbers, what's happening, all that stuff, okay? You got to pay attention. If you're on the VIP channel, you'll know all the inside information. If you're on the channel and you ask questions that are in the VIP stuff, I can't answer them. I'll just, yeah, it is what it is, right? So I'll talk to you after the squeeze about it, right? After I'm done working. It's the same as when you're at work. No, you don't talk to people, right? So, but yeah. So that's how it is, and then I got another way to make double, triple my money after I get paid from AMC. I talked about on the channel yesterday. We got some cool shit that I'm working on, and I know that I can almost double my money in the next. Just, it is what it is. You guys wait to see what the market looks like after this squeeze. We're going to be multi-millionaires. Multi-millionaires. The squeeze is nothing compared to what we're going to make afterwards. Okay? We've been waiting, what, a year for this? Okay, I can make just as much money in a year. Watch, I'll be doing it all live. Because I will. Because I'm good like that. Okay, my friends. I'm going to get on to some channeling now. We're going to do our Monday channeling. We're going to find out the numbers. Please do not buy options on this stuff. Okay, we got... I'm just checking out the volume here. The short volume... Holy fuck. Pardon my language. Wow. 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 These institutions are friggin' retarded, but they're good for us. I like them being retarded. These dumb shits just doubled down on AMC short. Look at this. The short volume AMC is 54.23% of the float of institutional. You know that, not including us. On the 23rd. Okay? The short sale volume is, and this is just what this information is not accurate. It's the most accurate that I can get, that anybody can get in the world, unless you're actually the SEC, okay? And they will not put this information out because they won't, okay? It's just protected information a little bit. FINRA is in shit right now. That they live up Ortex's ass, okay? They work together. They rip people off. They're scam artists. They're fraudsters. They are the ones that are supposed to be reporting all this data. They're under review right now by the SEC and DTC. Okay, the short sale volume is 11.68 million. Okay, I say it's about 20 million. So, long sale volume, which is 10 million. The total volume is 21. I say it's more like close to 30. The total volume is 30 million. Short volume means that they shorted it. Okay, that doesn't, I'm not worried about the interest and all that. That's 17 whatever percent. That is, a lot of people get that mixed up. Okay, that is the interest they're paying on margin. Okay. Okay, my friends, let's jump in here, and I will bring the chart up for you. Do you guys want to watch me do this again to learn? Or I'm not a teacher. I keep on fucking saying that. That's like Lou saying he isn't a YouTuber, but he's on it 3 times a day. Like, how retarded can you be? Right? So I can be retarded like that too. I'm not a teacher. Peter Pan was saying 57 on the... Peter Pan, 57. I have a video on that. I have a video on that. That's why I said that this is charts wrong. 54, and my video says 57. Remember I said it was, then I said correction, it's more like around 60. Okay. And this fella that does this, he's one of the best. He's a freelancer, okay? He doesn't, he works for himself. So yes, thank you, Boston. Thank you for that. Cam Alfrey. Oh, Warren, I'm not worried about that. I'm just that stuff that I'm just talking like unless you have a problem with it, we have like Christopher, we got our own stuff to do. Like we're at work. This is it, right? Like anything that messes up like that, you should have backup devices. Okay, I just can't help you with that stuff. Like this stuff should be done now. Okay, and I'm an asshole when it comes at work when I work and I discuss that this has to be done now. Next week we're going to be doing this project. We're going out in the field. If you come to the job the next day and go, oh fuck, I can't find these tools. I was in the store yesterday to buy them. I fire you instantly on the spot. Okay, fucking go. Pack your shit. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, because that's the way it works, right? You got to work together with the system, not against the system, okay? I'm not trying to be an asshole. It's just that, like, you have to understand. I don't owe anybody anything. I do this for the goodness of my heart. I owe people fuck all in this world, okay? I'm doing this out of my own generosity, and same as our moderators. So it's kind of disrespectful, and it's kind of like a fuck you if we help. We've been doing this for 6 months, and I can understand if you're new to the channel, that's fine, right? But I'm just saying that during the squeeze, I won't be helping set up screen recorders, all that stuff. Okay, it will. Somebody else can help you, but I'll be working, right? And like I said, the channel will be muted. This YouTube, I have a hotkey on my keyboard here. When I'm talking, because I'll be talking to the VIPs on here in our other server when the squeeze is on. When I need to talk about numbers, they want to know numbers to when to what I'm doing. Am I holding? Am I going to sell? What am I doing? That's going to be muted. And yeah. So and there's also a thing on the camera. So the VIP channel gets priority. I can't talk about numbers and certain stuff on YouTube, right? You guys know that. So, but I still will be running. I will hold my obligation. I said I'll be running the full time through the squeeze. Okay, my friends, tell me about the story that never ends. Okay, Kim, when you squeeze, just concentrate on the chart. Yeah. Oh yeah, Sanjay's, you guys know. Sanjay's just verifying it, yeah. Oh, hi Barbara. Welcome, Obvious, Captain Obvious, sorry. Dominique. Yeah, sorry I'm a little bit rough though, but it is what it is, right? I can be the coolest guy around, but when there's a time and place for shit. That's right, Dominique, yeah. You guys got it. You guys got it. You guys understand, okay? Okay, channeling. Okay, do you guys want me to pop it up on the thing? Okay, thank you, Jay. I was just getting back to that. Great minds think alike. Okay, so I just had to explain that. I'll have to do it a couple more times. It's just that we have a lot of people that join the team 24 hours a day. Okay, they're constantly subbing to the channel. Okay, so it is what it is. Okay, just give me a second here. I'm not even gonna look at the chart. I'll do it in front of you guys. Okay, so you know it's not rigged. I know he knows it's not rigged. There's no way you could rig it. Okay, so we got this on. Is it on AMC? Yes, we're on AMC. Okay, I'm gonna pull this up here. Let's go. I got too many fucking things going on here. Okay, we'll pop this down here. We're gonna have to go over to stream. Whoops, we got echoage now. Cat's in the house? Does she cat? Is Cat here? She's always hanging out in the back office. I got my favorites. She's one of them. Diaz. I got a handful of course. It's the people that have been on since the beginning, right? You get a friendship. You get, but like Warren, like Christopher, like all of like there's wow. I probably have more friends on here than I have in my whole life. Okay, I'm trying to get this set up. I did some modifications here, so let's bear with me. Oh, it did work. Okay, just give me a second. Do 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 do. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's on the wrong shottage. We're gonna move that bad boy over here. Over here. Okay, just give me a sec. Fucking thing. Excuse me. Oh, fuck off. Fucking cocksucker. Okay. What the hell have I done to the screen here? That's why. There we go. Wow. Okay. Okay, there we go. And no, this is not Ortex. It's Stocks Era. Oh, Tess, I know you are. You are, brother. So, okay, let's have a look here. If you can't see it, there's no way I can blow that up more, my friends, without the numbers. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm on the option chart. Okay, oh, this actually is not updated till tonight. Or it's from the UK actually. It could be updated right now. We'll have a look because they're ahead of us, right? Excuse me. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go up here, and this is exactly what I was talking about, right? As of the 22nd. Here's the numbers right here that I just went over. This tells you when the SSR is off. Okay, I love this. I love this little company this guy built up for himself, right? So, it is what it is. There's over the last month. There's, see, you guys are like, well, how are you going to know how much money and when the volume? Look at this. Look at that candlestick when I put my pen on it, my cursor. Long volume, short percentage on the 17th. Down here, look at that. Look at that. Right up to the date. Well, last day of the market. That's all we need is the last day of the market, right? Because I want to see who sold the day that night. Oh, well, I'll know. So there you go. Tells you right there. Okay, down here. Okay, what are we at right now? Did anybody, let's go, I got a chart right here. And you can use their chart, it's just that it doesn't pick the vibrations up. If for, well, that's up to you. You guys could use this chart. It's just that I need something a little bit different. I need something that, how the fuck do you zoom this? I don't like it. 1 minute. I don't like this. Give me a second here. Now I'm fucking with this thing. Come on, motherfucker. Blow the fuck up. Okay, obviously. Okay, I can't mess with that's. Oh, there we go, finally. There we go. See, it's not the vibrations, you can't see it. There's a lag on this. So, obviously, yeah, I can't see it. Ooh, look at that juicy candle. Boom! Fuck yeah. Look at that, eh? Okay, so I just wanted to see it's at 27.93. What did it close at the other day? I just need to know this stuff, my friends. So this is what you do. You find out what the price is now. You find out the price was what the market opened at, okay? You need to know that. What you're doing is compiling data and you're making an average. So the high, excuse me, opened at 28 bucks. That's all I need to know. So we're about the same. Okay? Okay, here we go. Okie dokie. Oh, wrong chart. Wrong. We got to go up here and change this. Options. Okay. No. Okay, what the fuck is going on here? I don't even... Just hang on. Something's messed up here. Something's not working for me. Oh. Sorry. Fuck, what is going on here? Just hang on, guys. I'm just double... Oh. No, it's the failure to deliver as I go by. I think... I forgot what I'm doing now. Ha! That can't be it. The fuck? Something... They've changed this chart. Something's happening here, man. It doesn't make sense. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. They changed... Something's happened here. Weird. What the fuck? This doesn't make sense. Sorry, my friends. I was on here. I was messing around on this the other day, and I think I messed up the screen. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Sorry about that. Look on the 28th. Look at this date, guys, because it takes 35 days. You know that, right? For failure to delivers. Look at this. The amount of failure to delivers in money is $14 million, 512. Wow. And that's on the 28th of December. There's 300. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. That's the highest it's been since like the 10th month, 20th day. It's even higher than that by 20,000. The failure to delivers is about 100. Excuse me. I'm just trying to do some math in my head. 100 times, you heard me, 100 times more failure to delivers. There's 351,900. Okay, strike price $41. It'll probably strike at that, around there. Oh, cryptos. Crypto. I'll explain this before I get into this because that's a good one. I have to stop and explain this. Okay, we actually don't own 80% of the float. Okay, we went through this on the VIP channel. Are you a VIP? You're a VIP crypto. Were you on there yesterday? I don't know. You should have been on there, bro. You guys got to try to make these meetings if you can, okay? There's a lot of stuff we talked about. I explained all this, which I'll do it again a little bit. We don't own 90% of the float or higher, okay? I got the real numbers of what the float owns, okay? We own 90% of synthetics, okay? You have to remember, the float was bought a long time ago, okay? We own, probably now it's 8 to 10 times the float, okay? That is in circulation. It's not real. It's not real information. It's fake, okay? They don't even exist, the shares, okay? So, yeah, it is what it is. There's a lot of false information, bullshit floating around there, out there, okay? Over half the people sold their shares when it hit $72. We know that. I have the info on that. It's a little bit higher. It's about 60% or 58% sold, okay? Then they rebought. Plus more people bought. It almost went up another 3/4. So there's more people. It actually did better for us, okay? Did they hold real shares, those people? No. The reason why I say that is because in January, most of my shares, almost 800 and some odd shares were bought in January, and they are not real, okay? They're not. If you guys think you own real shares and you don't have computer shares, you're fooling yourself, okay? Because you can't tell what real shares are, and neither would your bank, okay? The problem is, it's not actually a problem, institutions can, okay? Brokers can, and that depends on what broker too, okay? There's certain broker I know that can't. There's different types of brokers, okay? I just found that out the other day, actually. Somebody sent me an article on that. So institutions, hedge funds, okay, and brokers. Those are the only people. Oh, and sorry, the SEC can see, DTC can see, any investigation entity into that, to the stock market, anything to do with the stock market, the federal end, yes. AMC, yes. Okay, there is a system, okay, and the system is to stop fraudulent shares after hours, okay? That's why it's all registered through the SEC. So, like I said before, they are all real because they have to apply to sell, okay? The SEC knows how many shares these institutions own. Okay, I have all the forms. I have the access to all those forms right out of the SEC's fucking data bank shit. Right, it is factual information. Okay, so they own all real shares. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, so they own, and I got all the percentages. Okay, for us, what the information going out to us is very false. It is fucking so wrong. About 60% of it's right, the rest is bullshit. And I showed it yesterday, okay? That's why we gotta pay a fucking attention, okay, to these big whales selling, okay? You don't know how many people have their heads up their ass right now, and they're just walking around. Oh, they're like zombies, man. One person said it, and they, okay, let's go down here, man. That guy said this, okay? They're zombies following these YouTubers around, okay? It's bad. It's really bad, and I revealed it last night, and I showed it, and I backed up 100% information for every statement that I made last night, okay? These are signed federal documents by the SEC. You can't dispute that, okay? They're not modified through Reddit. They're right from the exchange, okay? So, the other thing is with the institutions selling, this one I wanted to. So that's the issue, okay? The issue is getting the real shares. The hedgies want the real shares. They don't give a fuck about us, okay? The original owners, you understand the hedging process, okay? They're lent out. That's what the marginal interest is on that. That's roughly 17%. That's for margin to borrow the money. There's more to it than that. There's also private brokers. There's loan sharking. There's a whole bunch of fucking shit that happens that is not even talked about, okay? To do with this. It's dirty money, right? It's scamming people. That's pretty much what it is. So the original owners, when it gets to a certain price, they want to cash their shares out. That's all it is. That's all it is. Say if you borrow a share, I have, say, 10 shares. Somebody comes and, as a friend, borrows them off me. That he hedged them. Okay, he hedged them off of me, so he lends them out again. Get those shares are gone. Okay, oh, I'll just replace them. I'll just buy them, whatever. Right? The price doesn't go down. That's the whole reason why you hedge, is because you're gonna guarantee like, oh, I'll keep it at this price, but meanwhile the price is going down. Oh, they're going to be worth nothing, but I'll give you this price. The price goes up. It does a reversal. Now the guy at what, $100 and some odd dollars. I want to make my 100,000 or 20,000. I want my fucking shares back. You better get me my shares. That's a call. That's a hedge call. Okay. So that they're calling their shares out, right? Now he has to go find those shares. Okay? He's looking around everywhere. Any shares that be sold from us are pretty much synthetics, and the stuff with Fidelity that they only have real shares is bullshit. Okay, it's bullshit. Okay, the only way you have real shares is computer shares, straight up. There's only 500 out there. Okay, real ones on the float. You guys know that. Those are bought up. I can see them right. We counted them the other day. They're pretty much, the institutions own all the real shares. Okay, it's a no-brainer. Straight up. Okay, they have to own real shares because you can't put a fraudulent share and you can't register with the SEC. Okay, so there you guys go. We're 100%. We got the 100% goods on this. That's why I'm talking about. I can double, triple the money on the squeeze compared to what the average person would make because they don't have this knowledge. Or how to do these numbers. Okay, I just want to explain that. And the thing is, that's why the screen recorders come in effect, is because once these institutions sell the real shares, you know what's going to happen. The hedge funds are going to buy them and pay back the original owners. Squeeze is over. Okay? We're going to be holding synthetics. Nobody's going to buy them. Okay? I'm just trying to tell you guys that. Like, why would the fuck would they buy your synthetics? Okay, once the hedge funds are all paid back, there's no demand for them. That's what the short squeeze is, right? That's exactly 100%. So you gotta have your gameplay, okay? It's the squeeze play, right? So it is what it is. Just have to. Nobody owes you anything, okay? You have to work for it, okay? The smartest win on this. That's the way it is. The ones with the most knowledge and the smartest win. Okay? There's going to be a lot of hurt people here. Okay? Especially if they pull that buy or they shut it down for 30, 60 days, up to a year they have for an internal investigation because there's fraudulent shares. Okay? I've looked at documentaries. You can go on the SEC and type in fraud, naked shorting and all that stuff. There's case law, and you can read for years on there about case law and suspensions and all that. So if you think it won't happen, you're wrong. Okay, go dig on some information. Talk to me next year because there's lots on there. But they all have it on Reddit. I mean Reddit. So SEC. Okay, it's all they have to by law post those lawsuits. I've been reading them for about 6 months now. So how do you think I get all this information? Okay, anyways, my friends, I had to talk about that. So, like, this is very serious. It's just, yeah, it's, like, I'm not trying to stress you guys out, but, like I said, we're a no bullshit fucking channel here. Okay, my friends, I'll get on this. Sorry. I just had to discuss that because that's, I'm not, and whoever asked the question, I'm not mad or anything. I just get my voice changes. That's just me, right? You guys know me that by now. I hardly ever get mad, only at my computer. Okay, so I say. What are we at right now? Sorry, my friends. Fuck off with the echoing bullshit. How do you like that? Okay, give me a second here. I already did that before. 38, 28. What time is it? Okay, just had to double check that. Okay. Oh yeah, and the stock's only shorted 40-60% short sale, okay? That's short sale, not long. Okay, that means monthly, okay? Just so you know, that's a short sale. Long is like long position, okay? So that's what I'm saying. That to pay that back is only 250 to 300,000 or million shares, whatever the float is. You know, it's 500. Well, 300. There, it's done. Okay, I'm just telling you, it's not that many shares. Okay. and they can pre-register those. They can go to these companies, and there's ways to get these shares directly to them. Just so you guys know that, and don't kid yourself if you don't think so. You don't think they're waiting at the fucking door for the store to open? Just like you on Boxing Day, waiting to get the goods in the store when the store opens, to get the best of the best. There's only a limited amount, same thing. But there is a bit of a process. It has to go through after hours, like I said. I forgot to mention that. Okay, so I say that we're going to be up around $40. The high, I'm not saying that that's what it's going to be. The high, the very max it's going to be is $40, 41. It won't be any higher this week, 100%. I can't see it. Or just hang on a second. Yeah, I'm very strong on that. 37 or no, yeah, $40. So here's what I'm doing right here, the $40 mark, and I'm not looking at any of these dates. I'm looking at failure to delivers. Okay, I'm looking at what is on the market. Okay, and that's how I've done it. I always do it. I don't know what it probably makes no sense to you, and to explain it, it does. It's kind of. It won't make any sense. I'm just a number guy. I look at verbatim, which is consistent, right? I just see it, okay? I've been doing this for a while now, and I just can for some reason. So, and then the 35, we're at 28 right now. $41. No. Yeah. We have a $9, $8 fluctuation this week, guys. Yeah, 45 is too low, but it most likely will hit the 45 and stay there around that area. That's the golden number, is 45. 41 is the lowest, it looks like. Okay. I said 40, but I changed it. So okay, I'll say it again. 40 probably the lowest. Okay. Where they want to keep it, and where they're going to try to guide it is in the 45 area. Okay. At closing. And the highest. $47.40. So it's $48. There you guys go. That's the highest. Anything higher than that, it's just everybody's fucked. So, anyways, my friends, I'm gonna pull this off here, and I got a little something for you guys. Fuck off. Not you guys. The Weeble thing here. Okay, well, now what? Now what? Why is this screwing up? There we go. I got a little something for you guys. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna answer some questions. Ryan, a good question, my friend, but they have to, they can't just go and sell their shares like that. It's totally different rules for institutions, my friend. They can't just walk on the open market on the day and just dump shares. They have to apply, okay? They can't just walk out there. They got to actually send a form to the SEC and saying that I'm going to be dumping 100, or say a million shares, okay? They don't have to tell a time or anything, but they have to say, hey, I would like to. So then the SEC pulls out of their holding account, they actually held and does an electronic transfer, okay? And whatever's left, they send the paperwork to them. Does this look right? This is what you have in the bank, in the vault still, okay? And I'll show you guys. I got the factual proof to back this up. Just give me a minute. Tess is right. Always keep your money away, guys. What percentage of real shares do you think they have on the float? 100% on the float, like the float as in like the 500, like whatever was allotted from the SEC for shares for sale. The actual float is 100% accurate. Those are all registered. But I want to be clear, because you're talking, are you talking the float, the actual float that was issued by the SEC for shares for sale? It is what it is. It's 100% accurate. But we're talking about the float now, the fake float, because we know it's been sold 10 times over that. Or is that what you're talking about, Leon the Lion? Okay, that what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's, I'm going to show you some document now. How many shares can you sell at a time during the squeeze? Boston Strong, that's one of the problems that we're going to have, okay? Your lot sizes. We were discussing that on the channel last night. On the, oh, you're a member too. My friend, I would recommend coming on to one of those meetings, or a couple of them, guys. I would. We discuss all this stuff, and we got all the answers. I'll discuss a little bit about it. I was on there for like hours. Okay, so open market, order, limit order. Limit orders there's issues with. There's a market has so what I'm going to word it, because it's different in every fucking country. Okay, live trading, computer trading. Okay, you're getting a computer to fucking trade for you. You put the numbers in, it fucking does your ordering for you. Okay, live trading, you physically sell it. You put the numbers in there and push sell. Within seconds, you get a notification back. Lot too big. You got to put a different number in. Done. Simple. The other way, could take hours, could take days to get that notification back. Okay? The internet lag. What if it goes into your fucking spam? They're called push notifications. They always don't work. You guys aren't getting any emails right now, and Christopher sent them out. That's a push notification. Okay? They're encrypted. If the encryption isn't unencrypted on the other end by the software, it don't open. It doesn't register. Okay? You need to know this shit. We discussed this last night. Am I telling you just to go open or onto to do manual trading? No. You do whatever you want, right? But I can't help you when things go sideways. Okay? So that's what we were talking about last night. That was probably a good hour doing that. Giving examples, okay? And then a lot of people gave their examples, and they were like, oh, I know what you're talking about now, right? So what I'm saying is, it takes a bit when your computer or the broker, you put your order limits in, okay, what you want. You might not, see, with what I put in, I get exactly what I want. If say I want a disclosed amount, $3,000 or $4,000 per share, I'm saying, and I actually mentioned numbers because it's not factual information. I'm just speculating. For whatever, a certain amount of shares for that, right? I get what I asked for, minus maybe like 5 cents a share off, because there's bid and ask. This is the rules in Canada, okay? It won't be $50 less. It won't be $10 less. Oh, it will be. It might be $10 because I use a bank to do it. That's why I pay my $10 per transaction, because it's fucking worth it. Okay. So that's it. That's how it happens. Within seconds, I get a notification back not a push notification where it goes through servers. Mine is internal, okay? It messages me instantly. Within seconds, a half a second. As soon as I push that button, it comes back to me. Tells me that there's an issue or that it was put through. Then, once it's sold, okay? Once it's put through, it sells right away. It doesn't sit there for an hour, doesn't sit there for 15 minutes, right? It's done instantly, okay? The other way, you're in a system where you're protocoled. They lot shit together. They group. It's called grouping. I know this for a fact. They group in groups of 100 to 1,000. They send them all at once. Okay, it's called grouping. They're groupies. Okay, that's no good. No good. Okay, there's issues with that shit. You guys have seen it personally. I know you guys have. You guys have your personal own experiences with asking the computer to sell for you. I did not know this. It's different in the States than here. With some software shit, I was told that if you put in for an undisclosed amount, you don't always get that fucking price. Well, that's crazy because I would never do something like that. That's just me, right? I want what I want. These are my shares, man. I'm not going to take like 80% for them when I asked you for a fucking 100. That's how you get a bullet in the head, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know how somebody could actually wrap their head around that one. You don't even know what you're going to get for your shares. But these are laws that I didn't know that are out there. These are rules. It is what it is, right? I guess you got to read the fine print. So I've never, like, I'm an experienced trader, okay? I've never dealt with that stuff before. I did a couple computer selling, getting the computer to sell once or twice, and I had bad luck with it, okay? To be honest with you, one of them was sitting there for weeks, an order, and I didn't even fucking know it. It expired, right? Because they have times sensitive on them, right? I think you can adjust the times now. But it was sitting there for weeks. It went into my fucking spam mail, man. I didn't even know it. I'd seen it all of a sudden. It was through Simple Trades, okay, through a zero commission broker that I use up in Canada here, and it was sitting in my spam, and it was already. It didn't happen. It was a bunk mail. It was nothing, but it didn't. I didn't even know. Okay, it didn't tell me. Okay, so that's concerning. It sucks, right? So there's a lot of things that can happen. I'm just saying that you got internet lag, you got all that shit to come in effect besides all the bullshit. Okay, so be careful, my friends, what you're doing. That's all. Just looking out for you. So yeah, proud saying it doesn't work. Yeah, it could be different. Okay, I'm just telling you guys. Yeah, so Dominique, even 100 should be fine, my friends. Okay, I don't know what you're doing. I would, yeah. Okay, so the system that I came up with, we have our 3 system selling features, okay? A plan A and a plan B, okay? Those are for volatility, okay? Volatility means it's for sweeping on the market. Candles, the way they sweep up and down, the movements, okay? Are they angry? Are the algos angry? If the algos are angry, you use plan A. If they're mellow and they're floating like this, up and down, you use plan B. Different numbers, different tiers. I don't use brackets. Tiers, different tiers. Okay, so plan A, plan B, 3 system, 3 system. Because I want to be prepared. I've seen different types. You guys know what I mean. Angry, like Prague. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? That's angry algorithms. Where you get the nice sweeping like this. That's mellow. Okay? So, different brackets. Then off of those, right? Branching off of that, you have your lots. Okay, when I say lots, I don't know if that's different in every country what it's called. The lot is the size, the group, if you want to call it like that. Try it, you have a disclosed amount. I'm not going to fuck around. I'm going to try for 100, 150 right away. Boom! If it comes back, see with manual, it comes back right away. error. And then it'll explain why. Broker cannot execute orders or lots too big. Oh, okay, not a problem. Break it down, I'd drop it in 25s, okay? So then I would go down to, say, from 150 down to 125. If that doesn't make it, 100. Boom, 100 goes through. No more fucking around with that. It's gone. Leave it alone. Don't screw with that anymore. 100. Bam, 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 bam. I'll be selling my 100 lots 3, 4 at a time. When I get my numbers are locked in. Whatever I put in that phone is what I get. Okay? So it is what it is. And like when I do my main selling, I'll have $750,000 to $1 million within probably about 15 seconds. Okay? Because I have brokers set up on a bunch of devices. It's not going to be me, and if it is me, I have software that I can control. I can run my other my other devices on remote access. I can run it off one device. It does all of them. Okay? I move the cursor and I push. They all have broker. I push sell. It sells on all of them. I'm moving the mouse around on here. It's moving it around on all the screens. You guys know that, right? So I sell broker, same broker. On here, it sells 100 on 3 different devices. 300 shares dumped. Just like that, okay? So there you go, my friends. Okay, anyways. Okay, my friends, thank you for putting up with that going off. So guys, what we did talk about in here is a fraction about what we talk on our VIP. There's no rules on a VIP at all. I talk the cold-hearted truth, and some of it fucking hurts. I could hear it in some people's voices yesterday. Okay? The reality kicked the fuck in, right? And the guys right in the fucking nuts. They were talking, a couple of them were talking different. Okay? It's a shell shock. Reality fucking check, like getting cracked in the side of the fucking head. Listen, kid, whack. You're not listening. Get all that YouTube shit out of your fucking head, right? So, and I'm not saying that in a bad way. That needs to be done, okay? And I'm not doing it in a mean way. It's just that we're all friends. I think that people have more respect for people like that are straight shooters, okay? Okay. Crying. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna go back. And proud. Don't worry about it. You're sitting right at the VIP table right beside me, girl. You on one side, D on the other. Okay? I like to be surrounded by girls. Okay? My wife doesn't care. She's good like that. Ladies, I should say, not girls. Ladies. I'm just joking, guys. That's right. Oh, it's Sanjay. Yeah, the chatting. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I won't be helping. Like, you guys have to have all this figured out now. I'm giving you guys a lot of notice. Okay, I'm gonna go back up here. Wow. Okay, I think market in the States work. In the States work like that. You get a major haircut. Okay, that's okay. I believe lots of 50 to 100 would be fine. Yeah. Anyways, in pre-market or after market, you cannot sell, but only limit. I believe what? I believe 50 to okay. Should be fine. Yeah, that would be fine. Just remember, the even numbers are more likely to be rejected than the odd. Just so you know. So if you do $49 instead of 50, just so you know, that fucks the computer up. Computers used to even numbers, my friends. Zeros, ones and zeros. A lot of programs are based off of that, just so you guys know. You don't need to know that. It's just that it's just more likely. Which it fucks you up too. So yeah, Boston Strong, there it goes. Yep, cryptos, Baz. Now is the time to get the help, bro. Now is the time to get the help. Good. I'm glad you're asking for it. Anybody else need help? Jump up on the board. If you're in the back office, in the back of the room here, classroom, they called it the classroom, but if you're in the back of the wolf's den, hanging out, come forward, introduce yourself on the chat bar. Melina, how you doing? Good morning. Come say hi. Get familiar with the group. If you don't like talking and you have fucking social disorder, it's all good. It is all good. We won't keep engaging in conversation. Come say hi and say, I got an issue. Can you help me? And what the issue is, done. Right? Done. If you don't want to talk, I'm cool with that, right? I don't like people. I hate people, okay? And you're like, whoa, fuck, that's it. No. You guys, like I said, I have my actual friends, physical friends around me. I got a handful, okay. Acquaintances, fuck, hundreds of thousands probably over my. People everywhere that know me, right? I'm talking friends, and I know a lot of you guys are friends too. But I'm not talking about that. I'm talking physical, okay. So it is what it is. I'm a very hard person to take. And I don't take bullshit. If you lie to me once, your friendship's done. Especially if it's to do with anything finance, anything to do with money, finance, or anything like that, or a material object of mine, or anything like that. Though I've leaned away on some things. If you a white lie, if it's an accident, like you didn't mean to or something. But if it's to do with anything to do with money, or you owe me, or I or whatever, or something like that, you're done. Instantly fucking done. That's how I roll. I'm old school. You have to remember, look who I was raised by, right? You think Mexican boss is fucking dangerous. I'm just CD, that I don't know. That's why we're going to be doing our numbers, brother. And CD, I would definitely. Well, you're right there with us with the pack. They're going to get. They're not going to wait till double digits. Okay, I can tell you that. Sorry, I should say triple. Which I'll dumb that down a bit for myself because that kind of didn't make sense. But anyways, they're going to sell in the hundreds. The high hundreds. Probably they're going to start selling about the 300-400. Okay, the smaller institutions. The bigger ones too, okay? That's what I said. That's what I'm trying to explain. We're only gonna have like 10, 15 minutes. Like, we're gonna be locked down most of the time. We're like in an institution, a federal institution that we're in lockdown, okay? Which means you get your shower, right? You get 1 hour out. That's it. Shower, yard, phone, whatever you're gonna do, you only get 1 hour. Same shit, we're gonna be locked down. We're gonna be in halting the whole time, okay? So in a lockdown, you plan shit out, what you're gonna do. Call your family, go get some books to read. Not that I know this shit or anything like that, but you go plan your shit out. At that time, you better be fucking back in that cell, right? Or else you won't be getting out again, okay? So that's what we're talking about. So that's where we're going to be counting the numbers of who sold and what. The main squeeze is, I know the Volkswagen squeeze was a week, okay? They were doing paper tickets back then. It was just in trend. They had an XP computers, my friends. Still running, right? Or no, wasn't that Vista, Christopher? That was even worse. That was a joke, that Vista shit. Fuck, that was a joke. You have to remember, they didn't have these apps. They didn't have high frequency speed trading, all that shit. They had dark pool, but they didn't. Things were different back then. It wasn't as angry of algorithms, okay? It was totally different. It's totally different. So, yeah. So, like, what I'm saying is things will be sped up. It's like putting, okay, put the Volkswagen squeeze times 10 fast forward. No, times 100 fast forward. Okay, so the 5-minute candles are now 30-second candles. Does that make sense? Okay, Angel, how you doing? Leon the Lion, how you doing, brother? Oh, fuck off. Not you guys, my screen here. I'm fucking with myself now. Huh. Really? Mr. Simpson, what the fuck are you doing now? I wish there was I need to get a mouse hooked up for this, but I can't afford one. It's my first payday. Just because I got other shit. I got some big investments that I just went out on. Ha! Boston Strong. Brother, can't you order them? Oh yeah, boy, Vista. Oh yeah, you caught that one, eh, Christopher? That was a fucking joke and a half. Oh. So, they had 2G, I know, and they didn't have these apps. I'm just telling you that right now. Things are way different than my friends. What the fuck? I'm getting the holy fuck me over here. Fuck off, cocksucker. Pardon my language. Oh, wow. Guys, you guys can hear me? You guys can hear me? You're like, fuck, we hear you. Never shut the fuck up. Sorry, guys. No, Leah. No. No, I'm not saying that. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that. No. The squeeze will be a week plus, and it will be, like I said, I'm joking around. It'll be a lifetime for some people, and some people it's going to be weeks, months, right? Because they're going to be waiting for a squeeze that already happened. Okay, you know how Lou came on and said, "Oh, the squeeze already happened at $70." That's exactly what most of the people, 3/4 of the people in the world are going to be like that. I'm telling you right now, it sucks. Maybe about half, 3/4. It's pretty fucked up. Okay? You have to think about how many people think these insane numbers are coming to them. Okay? That they're owed this. They are owed this. Nah, it's a fucking privilege, man, to get this. Loud and clear? Proud you'll be right beside me, girl. I'll have helping you. Don't worry, you're gonna be in the VIP room. My ears are bleeding. Yeah, I'm a loud motherfucker. Wait until Mexico after a couple drinks, man. Did I just do it again? You fucking kidding me? There we go. Okay, sorry guys. Oh, not a problem. Lena. Tessa was... Cam, I'm the same way, brother. I forgot what I said. Because I've been talking about the same thing. Oh, about drinking? Oh, fuck. If we're going to have a fucking... MC me new... Oh, fuck yeah. We gotta rip one up, man. I wouldn't mind hanging out with you and your dad and having some drinks. Your dad seems like a cool guy, man. Hey, what's up, Mr. The Woods? Good afternoon from the East Coast. Welcome to the channel, my friend. Peace. Kick back, grab a nice comfy chair, kick back, and enjoy the content. Grab a coffee. There's some coffee there, Tim Hortons, if you want some. Yeah, so yeah, guys, the main squeeze will be a couple days for us, okay? And it's once those institutions dump, the shares are returned, that's it, it's over, okay? So that's why we're going to be doing share counting, okay? Our own share counting, okay? We don't need to be accurate on that. We could be hundreds of thousands of dollars out. We need to be in the millions, okay? That's the numbers we're looking for, $1 million chunks, okay, for share counts. I don't give a fuck if I'm 100,000 out. That does nothing. It wouldn't do anything. Yeah, what's the name of my head? That's funny. Okay, so you have to remember wolves, man, are useless with one. You know that, right? But they got that. Oh, and the pack shows up. Okay. When there's a pack, they're unstoppable. Okay. They're some of the best hunters in the world. They got laser eyes. Okay. So just think about that one. Okay. As a pack, when we're together, we're unstoppable. We can take down any hedge fund, our channel. Okay, they can't get. We're smart enough. Okay, we know all the bullshit. We have all the tactics down pat on this channel. We've gone through everything that we can. So I'm just saying that the wolf pack has got your back. I'm saying that in a joking way. Oh, Melina, if you don't mind me asking, not trying to be in creep vision here, creep world, where are you from? I don't want to know the exact GPS coordinates. Are you from the States? Are you East Coast, West Coast? I just, because I have only seen you, is this your first or second? I think I've seen you one time other hand here. And to people that aren't on the channel, you guys know that we have another server that we're running on, right? To new people, and you're welcome to join that server, but you got to have a membership for that, just so you're aware. Okay, but we want to help everybody, and it'd be the best $1.99 you spent in your life. And you can cancel. I'm not after that. That's for Christopher, but right after you can cancel it, and no hard feelings. That's just strictly for server time, guys. Oh, the VIP lounge is open 24 hours a day, guys. I forgot to tell you guys that the Wolf Lounge, the Den, we call it the Den, that link to WebEx to the server, Christopher's server, is open 24 hours a day. Right now. In the squeeze, open 24 hours a day. We might even have a live... Christopher, can we get a live stock screener on there? In the corner? For people that don't... This has to be the most complicated. Lee on the line, it isn't. It's really simple, actually. You want to talk, I don't know. This is normal for me. This is nothing, really. I'm used to, work is way more stressful than this. I'm just going back up the comments. When is the next VIP meeting? Boston Strong. I don't need to be on the meetings. I'm only the co-host. It's not my channel. It's Christopher's. Oh, whimsy check. Oh, hey, thanks. This is the lady that's supporting the bracelets for Lou. It was her idea. She actually got Lou to boast it for her. It was her idea. Thanks, Christopher. It would be good. I want to get one with the algorithm vibrations on it. We'll talk privately about that. Because we need something with the sweeps on it. Okay? I'll help you out with that. And something that doesn't have a 15-minute delay. We got to look out for that stuff. So yeah, Wolfpack Lounge is open. There is no government rules there. It's open 24 hours a day. If you smoke weed, jump in the big, we have a chair bench set up there. You can roll up doobies. You can smoke them all night long. There's an open bar, free alcohol. Right? There you go. All for $1.99. Hey, if you're in the States, that's even less, 30% less, isn't it, guys? Oh, whimsy check. It's on beginning of the channel. When you go onto my right on the header, you know, it says CS Trades 101 Wolfpack. There's a join. It says join. Hit that. But pick the cheapest one on there because the VIP Elite membership, because the other one, the membership Elite, Wolfpack membership Elite, for the, I don't even know the price, it was like $5 or $6 or some $4 or $5, is going to be discontinued. I just can't cancel it right now because it will wipe a whole bunch of people off. But everybody's getting transferred over. The price will not go up. It's going to stay like that for life of the channel. And I guarantee that. Next VIP meeting, that is up to Christopher. Be Ghost! You picked the wrong one, buddy. I'm bugging you. You got the right one, brother. I'm just fucking with you. Welcome to the pack, my friend. Tell me about the story that never ends in AMC, motherfuckers. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, I was waiting for you, Be Ghost. Oh man, I just didn't want to say anything because I'm not going to pressure anybody. And if you don't get in, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It doesn't change anything on the channel. You still come on here. We treat you the same. It is what it is. It's just that it's meth night at Wolfpack Lounge. Oh, fuck, that's hilarious. Oh, fuck, imagine on that, doing a stock squeeze. Oh, fuck, you'd be climbing through the fucking phone lines, the Ethernet lines. Huh. Yep, there's soda there. There's coffee there. But yeah, that was Christopher's idea of keeping the lounge open 24 hours a day. When you log on there, there's an option where you can hit the chat and you can leave messages up there. So if you have questions, put them on the fucking channel and they stay there, okay? Somebody will answer them. It's like YouTube, but 1,000 times better. This server is going to, in 5 years, it's probably going to be challenging YouTube, okay? We got something that we're working on that you're going to be able to it's way better than YouTube. Trust me on that. Christopher's working on some fucking genius shit. And I got some ideas too I threw in there, and between the two of us, holy shit, we built this awesome fucking platform. It's dope, right? It's pretty cool, man. I just can't talk about too much of it because of the legality part of it. But some of it's skirting the laws. Just we have to get looked into. We don't want to break the law, so we just got to check it out for both countries. So, oh, and by the way, guys, Christopher, and you got to keep on mentioning this. Christopher has a whole bunch of VPNs, the best VPNs. Fucking, what's the one? What's the VPN that everybody uses? I don't know. There's one out there that everybody uses. It's not that good. VPN. You know how they are, like $5 or whatever, $10-20 a month, depends on. Norton is the fucking expensive thing. That's shit. That one's shit. It's junk. Okay, they share your information, guys. This Christopher is getting rid of at no cost. He's not making anything on this, my friends. $20 for a VPN for life. You heard me right. Lifetime. Unlimited data. You can put no tunneling, which means no choking your internet speed. Oh, Belina, okay, you're good. You're good. Your husband's already a member. Okay, I didn't know that. I can't see from here. And good seeing you again. You had some good questions. That was you last night speaking, eh? So, yeah. And guys, if you're a member of this server, when it does its, in the next year, when it does its switch over to the big stuff, you guys will be recognized, okay? There's something special going to be happening for you guys with a lifetime membership. We're working on some stuff that you're going to be blown away because it's going to be about $100, $50 to $100 a month membership for this shit, okay? We got something for you guys. Yes, Sanjay finished the Christmas video. Christopher's just modifying something in it, and yes, it's awesome, guys. And thank you so much. Why did you have some, Chris? Did you have a video? Because I think Citizen T, I would. They're fucking awesome, man. The VPNs rock, dude. Like fuck, and it's yeah. No, Sanjay, we got it. We're fixing. Remember, you pointed that inconsistency out. We're fixing it. Just don't stress Christopher out. He's got a lot on the go. We'll get the Christmas video. It'll be posted live on here, my friends. Yeah, Chris, you got that from Christopher, eh? Yeah, Christopher is the man, dude. He's so fucking helpful. He is, yeah. I definitely made a good choice on the members or the moderators for sure. For sure, I have not any regrets. Okay, so my friends. Do the private meetings record? Do the private meetings record? No, they don't. And you guys, I know probably some people recorded some stuff, but I won't be showing my sheets and stuff like that. I talk about stuff. I don't show actual physical documents that are signed and read by the federal government. Not that they can't extradite me for it. I already know that. They can't do shit. But they can just contact me and tell me to stop doing it. But it is, when you're talking about something, it's totally different than producing the signatures and the timestamps. It's totally different, right? And the shit's not on my computer, as you know. It's yeah, I got it protected. Don't worry about it. It doesn't matter anyways. It's a difference when you go intentionally and go and get something off somebody without them knowing, but when something drops on your desk, totally different. Oh, and Melina, your husband, MC is a member. That is per family. Okay, just so you know that. Just you gotta. Can you buy your name, if you don't mind, on your on here, just so I remember, because Christopher might kick you out of the lounge by accident. Because we're going by the Wolfpack thing by your name. Can you please, if you wouldn't mind, on your where it says your name, can you just put and MC? Is there any way you could do that, please, for me? If you can't and you don't want to do that, that's fine. It just validates that you're. I just don't want any issues for anybody on the other server. Okay, that's all. Just because I'm going to be so busy, and then once you're locked out, you're locked out. We don't have time to I believe. Okay, I'm back up to the top. I'm back up to the top, my friends. And really good day today. I'm in a good mood, and you guys should be too. I'm not putting this stuff out to scare you guys at all. You guys should be happy. The knowledge is power. Okay, you guys know that, and the power should be used in the right way. Okay, that's what the Creator wants, God, right? As you know, I'm a Christian. You're like, wow, you swear. Fucking rights, I swear. So does my God, right? My God has a good sense of humor too. So anyways, I just wanted to say that, yeah, you guys. So you should be less stressed. Maybe you'll feel stressed now, but within a couple hours to a day, when you wake up the next day, you'll feel less stressed because you have knowledge that the average person doesn't have. You got somebody that actually cares about you that the average person doesn't have on a platform. Okay, you got a group of people that are backing your shit that don't even physically know you as a physical person. Okay, so yeah, but right to the respect of having somebody trying to encrypt your computer access so you're safe, so nobody can rip your bank account information off and stuff. So, like Christopher, it just goes on and on and on, man. So, and we don't want anything from it. That's the thing, right? That's the beauty thing about it. Just respect, that's all. Oh, thanks. Proud. Yeah, I know Christopher's the man, and Sanjay is too. Like, fucking Sanjay does a lot of work behind the scenes too, right? Not a problem there, Lena. Anything I can do for your family. You're lucky, or well, your husband's lucky to have you, but I'm just saying that you guys are a good team. You're beautiful people. I just wanted to say that I really respect your husband. He's a straight shooter, really good guy, and you know that obviously. Yeah, he's a good person. Oh ho ho! Leon the frigging Lion! What's up, man? Oh, thanks, Gloria. Okay, Crypto Baz, Ultimate Connections. Okay, yeah, I know that. I know you used to be. You've been on my channel for a long. With the blue icon, that's my YouTube channel. What blue icon? I don't understand, my friend. I'm not seeing that. If you put up anything to do with any links or anything like that on here, it won't let you put it on the chat board. It's blocked from YouTube. I have it on block for a reason. Self-promotion I don't do on my channel. If you ask me politely, I'll promote your shit, but people doing it without asking me, yeah, that's like stealing off me, right? So, but if you ask me, I'll do it. No worries. No, Richard, no worries, my friends. I don't mind doing it. And I like to be challenged too. There was a lot of challenges last night, mental challenges for me. You guys were asking some fucking brilliant questions. And they were not hard questions to answer, but I had to mentally dig. I wasn't prepared for that. You guys are really quiet. There was some good stuff. You had me on my game last night, not to validate my reasons, but I have to do it fast. I can't I have to train my brain that's what I do. I challenge my own self. When you ask me a question, I like to have you answer within seconds. And if not, I have to crunch a formula in my head to figure out the answer, right? Not a problem, not a problem. I heard it sound like a kid crying. Unscrew tube. Thanks, Proud. Thank you. Not a problem. Not a problem. And this is why I do it, because of people like you. All, right? And just think about how, when you first came to the channel, think about how you felt. And now, how do you feel? Okay? Subconscious therapy. Subconsciously, you have answered and asked questions that you didn't even know you have the answers to. Now you should feel more aggressive and accurate, and less self-doubt on your market tactics. You should, because you're fucking way different. Where's Alina? Oh, Warren, I just asked that. I asked that earlier. Okay, Alina is having a problem with our channel, okay? She wrote me an email twice, and she thinks that we blocked her, which we didn't, right? If I blocked her, she'd look for the channel, it wouldn't come up, okay? And I'm not like that. Advertise. I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand. Ultimate Connection. Do you have like a new YouTube channel? Or is that what you're trying to tell me? Just tell me, man. Tell me. I'll go have a look at it right now, and then I'll give you an A or an. Depends. Like if somebody supports me, I fucking support them back. Not a problem. Not a problem, my friend. And even if it's not my type of. If it's not my niche, which means the type of content that I like, so be it. I'll still throw it on, and you get full. When I sub to a channel, I unlock it, okay? Which means that it comes up on the bottom of my channel. People can see, oh, what does Cameron like to watch? It comes up with your channel on the bottom. Crypto Bass. Yeah, I knew it was you, bro. I knew it was. But send me an email with your link, Ultimate Connections, to your channel. Not your ID, your actual physical link. And I'll go check it out. And within seconds, as soon as you send it to me, I'll go check it out. But anyways, guys, I wanted to tell you that you guys ladies have all grown. I know some of you were very shy, and now you're just blasting the fucking chat bar. Oh, Alina. So this happened to Jerry. This happened to Tess. Tess can vouch for it, and a couple other people. She can't talk in the chat bar. Okay, which means because the chat bar is locked for 10 minutes only, but That's not the case. She is not subbed to my channel, and I've wrote her emails, but I don't know. Her son has a VPN freshly installed on his computer, on her device. I think it's fucking her around because it masks your IP address, and if YouTube can't connect that, all your memberships and stuff don't. Some things will work and some don't. That's what I'm thinking. She needs to unsub and resub. I do not see her on my sub. I can see who's all subbed to my channel, right? I can see everybody, right? So it takes me a while to get into the software. It's a section in YouTube that there's like 4 things you have to do to get into it. And it's all password protected and shit, but it's the mainframe data bank for the channel. But I can get in there and tells me the date when somebody's subbed, if they're members or not, or whatever they do. If they like my content, or if they strike it down, I can see all of that stuff on there, right? So it is what it is, right? It just shows what you can find out a lot from that stuff, right? From the data, it compiles it. It compiles it hourly, okay, which is good. That's up to you, Ultimate Connections. But yeah, if you have a YouTube channel, man, that's me. I'll go check your content. Just send me CS Trades 101. I can send you my email. You should have it by now. And the thing is that's up to you with the VPN. VIP. Sorry, I thought you said VPN. That should register. That's up to you, my friend. That's up to you, dude. That's totally up to you. Like I said, I'm not treating you any different, and it won't change. It's just that, just so you know, in the squeeze, I can't talk numbers with you guys, right? On the other one, fuck yeah, we talk numbers all the time. You guys all know my tiers, right? That I'm selling in. Aww, somebody loves their hubby. That's good. I love to see that. Yeah. So Alina probably can see her stuff, but she can't. So she needs to do that. We need to figure this out. Like, seriously, or we need to get her to get a new, we need her here. Like, I feel so bad. So Warren, I know you see her on T's channel, Tony's, or see her. I know she's always around. She's a freelancer, which I don't care about that stuff. I don't give a fuck if you guys do different channels and talk, right? Just if you're gonna talk about me, talk badly, okay? I want everybody to not like us. I'm just joking. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care. I don't. That doesn't bother me. That stuff. I'm not there to impress them or impress anybody. I'm here to just create content the way I want it done, and a lot of people don't like how I create content, right? But it is what it is. It's not going to change. But a lot of people like it. A lot of people don't like the truth, okay? It's irrelevant. It's so true. Thank you, Warren. If anybody else sees her on the channel, a lot of people love being lied to. They love it. They love fake news, okay? They love fake information. It's obvious, right? Look at all the subs on these channels. I know, Tess, it works. See, that's what, yeah. Yeah, I never thought about that one, Sanjay. Yes, or she can actually I would install it and reinstall it, and if it still doesn't work, I would make up another account. It's so simple. Just make one up for this. Oh, fuck yeah. Dominique. So, I was just reading something else. Yes, we're going to see that. We've already seen signs of it. Crypto's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can sell it anytime you want. It's the most thing. They use that. Okay, if you see the commercials and pop-up ads, it's crypto. Okay? It's the first thing they're going to liquidate. It's the easiest thing to get rid of. It's not physical. Okay? It's an illusion. Right? It's a data. It's not visible. It's not, there's no emotional attachment to it because it's not a physical object. So there's a lot of psychological aspects to that. And it's going to dip. We're going to have a fire sale. I'm predicting, which I don't know, this isn't factual information, but I'm going off of data. The 2008 is nothing compared to what's going to happen. Okay, the government wouldn't put in lending, portfolio lending for the hedge firms. We'll take your portfolio and you can pay us interest on it, and we'll pay your debts off for you. What the fuck is that shit? That's to the hedge funds. These are 1%ers, man. Oh. Okay, crypto, Boston crypto. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, guys, it's the fire sale, and it's going to be low. A lot of things are going to low. Some things are going to take a year to 2 years to come back up. Some things will come back up within days, right? Hours to the next day. You might only have a short time frame to get shit. That's why with manual, my money's in my account just like that. Okay. Some of the stuff takes a while to go from your broker to your institution. Okay. It's another thing, right? That's why I use banks for that. My money's in there instantly. Okay. And if not, I got access to lots of money, right? I have it sitting there ready to go. I'd have to pay interest on it, but yeah, I can get money. Because you have to remember my house is paid off, right? So I can take as much as my house is worth, less 20%, right? So don't worry, I'm ready to rock. Everybody's thinking, well, fuck, you're setting yourself up for extortion. I'd love somebody to come to my house. Fuck, I love to play. That's what I told the neighbor here. He's an asshole, right? He's threatens all the women in the building that we're in. And there's no cameras on this side of the building. Like I don't even have cameras. Well, I have one, but I said, well, hey, let's go play out back. He won't. He's my age too. He just loves picking on women and touching kids. He's a fucking piece of shit. Okay, so anyways, yeah, taps. It could. I would stay away from the blood coins, though. I'd stay away from the blood coins. We discussed that last night on the channel, too. Blood coin is made with fossil fuel, my friends. A lot of them are being delisted because they have negative backlash. Bitcoin was a blood coin. It is some of it. The blocks are made with fossil fuels. Yeah, but it was when they're changing it. It is what it is. Any cryptos made in Canada, out of Canada, directly made from Canada, is a 95% to 99% natural energy. We only have wind power hydro dams up here. Okay, most of the power, we have fucking huge hydro dams up here. We have so much electricity is we sell 3/4 of it to the States, all the way down to California. That's where your guys' hydro comes from. You guys know that, don't you? Oh, right on, Boston Strong. It's the most beautiful thing giving your wife a house, dude. A place to live. It's the most beautiful thing. You should have seen the look on my wife's face. And then when it's paid off, when you walk in with the papers of your house and you rip them up and throw them on the ground. The ownership or the fucking bank loan or the deed for your house from the bank, saying the bank on it. Okay, my friends, I wanted to, and that's all from the stock market, from the three system. And yeah. Anything else do you guys want to know that we can actually talk about on here? Oh, next meeting. There we go. Oh, she's such a nice lady. She puts her husband first. That is really respectable. That shows character right there. I look for things like that. I don't look, but that naturally comes up in my head because I think a certain way. I'm old school. That's really respectable. Wow, that is so cool. Hands down. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff's gonna happen, my friends. That Evergrande, it has made the fire sale way worse. Trust me. Them raising the debt, them raising the debt ceiling in the States makes it fucking worse. Them printing all the money, Canada did the same thing. They made our money worth nothing. Same as the States. Your money's not worth that much anymore, right? That's why the price of shit goes up, because it's not worth as much. The more money they print, the more it's worth less, okay? That was the worst fucking thing to do, was print all that money. They had to, right? Canada did the same thing. We're the same. I know that. It's easy to change your name. I like it though. So yeah, Dominic, here, same here, Elbow Buzz. You will own that house, Dominique. You got to think. Remember how I told you guys how I do things. I physically already have anything I want. I physically already have it in my mind. I pretend I have it. I act like I have it, that I own it. You have to remember, it's a material object. Is easy to acquire. Easy. Anything you want, it's easy to acquire. You just gotta accept that you own it ahead of time. That's all. I know you guys might think I'm weird, but it's called positive power of attraction. I've proved it 1,000 times over to my friends, to everybody that I come in contact with. I prove them that it works, right? And some of my friends have done it. One of them just did it and bought a fucking $1 million company, had it paid off in 2 years. All it was a dream 3 years ago. So enough about that stuff. But yeah, if you want to know about any of that stuff, I won't talk to you about it on here that much, but I can help you with that positive attraction shit and show you guys how it works. It only takes a month of sending positive energy out, and it's fucked. I know you're probably, oh fuck you, weirdo, but look, am I that fucked? It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It doesn't make sense. And don't question it either. That's right, Dominic. Yes. Fuck, you fit into the pack so well, Dominic. Yes, that's what I'm trying. That's what I explained on the channel, the VIP channel the other day. Pulling greed off the table. This is the foundation, and you got to get that into your heads. Okay. It'll hurt you. You will fuck up. If you do not believe that, you will hands down 99% of the time fuck up on this squeeze. You gotta believe that this is nothing. This is only a drop in the bucket to your success and aggression to succeed in life. Okay, it's a drop in the bucket. You gotta look at it like that. You can't look at it like, oh, I gotta have this. It won't come to you. It will not come to you the way you want it. Okay, you will be very dissatisfied. I'm an underachiever, but an overachiever. Okay, a realist. Okay, and if I don't get my own way, I pout. I can be a real bitch. No, I'm joking. I'm just joking. So yeah, you got it. I need a helicopter. Hey, Sanjay, be careful what you wish for. Jerry, what's up? Jerry's in the house. So Jerry's, yeah, and she's one of the richest women in the world. Yes, and it is what it is. And you don't need, it's not one of those things like God. You have to believe into it. You just got to practice it, and you will believe in it. Trust me. There's a lot of people that teach it. Manifestation is real. Yeah, that's it. So anyways, guys, I proved it many times over, okay? Like to everybody around me. I do, yeah, I've done it with everything pretty much. So yeah, I've done it with my house. I've done it with my trailer, truck. It won't work with people though. It won't work. If you think, oh, I want to meet this person, no, it won't work for that. You can't own somebody, okay? It's totally opposite. It doesn't work like that. It's for material, okay? It only works on material things. There's other ways to get attraction like that, but not in that way that I'm talking about. There's other ways. That's right. The worst is when you don't get something, try harder, and the same way you're doing it, and get aggressive like that, you won't get it. It's not set up like that. Like if you don't get something and you think that I'll just work harder and work more hours at work and just do this and that, that's not the answer. Something will happen. Your truck engine will blow up. Something will happen. They'll change the laws. Now you need 40% down. Trust me. That's not the way to do it. Just so you guys know. But anyways, when we go to Mexico and stuff like that or whatever, I can show you something. We'll do it. If we're there for a week, I'll show you something. I'll show you guys live how to do something. So yeah, I've been working in a basement cam, laugh out loud, 2 stories below the tower I'm working at. Oh, it's all good, Jerry. Alina's having problems. You see her too, Jerry, around because you're a freelancer too, which is all good. You channel surf, which is fine. I like it when you guys do that. You bring me back some of the information and then I can fucking challenge it. Not to you, but I can challenge that creator and see if he's telling the truth or not. So, anyways. So what I was saying about this is the foundation, okay? Because afterwards, the gravy train starts up. You guys heard of the gravy train. Okay, you gotta have tracks for that gravy train. You can't just drive a train without train tracks. So the foundation is you're putting the tracks down and that's it. The fucking gravy train rolls, right? $26, 26%. That's not bad. That's a little bit lower than, yeah, that's quite a bit lower. All I pay on mine, 730. I pay 3% taxes on my money from the squeeze because of the conversion. I get 27 to 30% more on the squeeze. So if I make $100,000, I actually get 127 to 130 because our dollars, your guys' money's worth more. So what I'm doing is I'm not transferring all my money. I'm only transferring enough because things in the next year are going to get really fucked up with this variant. I just know some things are going to happen in with the 2 countries. I know who's the Canadian government got themselves into a little bit of problems here, and we're not selling our natural resources, and we've sold some things out that we shouldn't have, which will drive our dollar price down. The States will stay the same roughly. It always fluctuates, but our dollar price will fluctuate, which then that's when I'm going to cash in. See, that's my other way to make money, okay, is off of this. I have my whole life to transfer money back into Canadian funds. You understand? See that? So what I'll do is just transfer and pay my taxes on, and I don't have to pay. I pay the taxes on it, and then I can slowly transfer it. Okay. So yeah, any Canadians out there, we need to talk. I got a system to make some more money, 5 to 6, 7% on your money. It's huge when you're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. But when we bought those shares, it was the other way around. Okay, some of my shares I actually paid 2% more for because the exchange rate, right? So we had to on the other way around. It cost me 27 to 30% more, right? That's all. And I don't, for the UK, I think that it's a little bit, oh, Sanjay! Remember that? I need to, remember I asked you for if you could find out some information. Did you find that information out for me today? About the UK? If you only can collect $50,000 a chunk every transaction off of stock market. Like if you cash your shares, you're only allowed to cash $50,000 at a time. Did you find that information out for me, brother? Excuse me. Yeah, Jerry, and she's having the same problem. Alina, if you see her around, tell her to email me again. Tell her what you did to get back on the channel. Sub and unsub. Yeah, okay. There you go. That my privilege, or it's my not a problem. 50 cal, friend. Right on. I had one of those around here. 50 cal. The bullet without the powder in it from the war. Just a jacket. Yeah, not a problem, Kay. Not a problem. Do you mind calling one of them, Sanjay, please? Or some entity of the government? You have the power over their connections, man. You're helping out another UK member. I'm not going to... It is what it is. I'm not going to divulge the personal information. We just need we need a hand there with that. We need to educate the rest of the people in the UK that if this could possibly be an issue. If nobody's ever transferred out $50,000, a little bit of money. It's not that much, but if you've never done it before, how would you know? Right? It's like a lot of people don't know about the $24,000 to $25,000 you have to have in a margin account to paper swing trade more than 3 times a week. A lot of people don't know that until they actually get into a situation and they learn that. They get the notification, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, my throat. So, any questions, my friends? My brothers and sisters? I appreciate that, Tess. Fucking going over and beyond. I mean, Tess, sorry, Sanjay, going over and beyond again. You definitely earned that wrench. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that. Oh, I better check my emails. I might have some people that want to talk to me private. Just give me a second, my friends. Big Short, yes. Marginal, I love those shows. Just here, I'll put this on I look like a white ghost. I don't want to be that white. That's a little bit fucked up, man. Go. Why is it not helping me? Whoa. Whoa, okay, it is. Whoa, okay. Oh, I can adjust the... Oh, I love this. Oh, I can adjust the brightness. Maybe not. Anyways. Weird. I don't know. Okay. Sorry, I just had to check my emails here. Just give me a second, guys, because I did tell people I would talk to them. Fucking spam. You won $1 million. Well, thank you. So did you. Okay. There's so many email addresses here. Okay, email. I just want to make sure that, wow. Holy crap. Oh, there, that's better. I love that software upgrade. Oh, thank you, brother. The word, yeah, and you guys participating in all this stuff really helps too. It makes me strive. Oh yeah, it's good. Citizen T, you should watch it, bro. Watch it. It's good. Okay, video chat. Okay. 2:30 your time. Okay, T, got it. Same link, T. Okay, brother, Richard. Yes, I can. Richard, are you on there? I'll send you the stream. Talk while you eat breakfast. You knew I was gonna go have breakfast afterwards. You guys know my system. Okay, I'm available all day. Oh, you guys are so easy to get along with. All three of you. D, Richard, and T, Citizen. Thank you, guys. So what I will do is, D, it will be in the afternoon if you're on here there, girl. It'll be in the afternoon. T, it will be in the afternoon. Obviously, you know the time. It says right there. I will set my alarm. And Richard, right after the stream, if you're on here, brother, we'll be doing a voice chat. Live, okay? And just, not right after. Give me 15 minutes just to get I have to go say hi to my family. And Oh, Christopher, are you on there, bro? No, just the one video. Add just the one video. You already added the first one. That was the intro. Already on the channel. Just the one with me with the Christmas tree and my dogs in my hand. That's the only one I want you to amend to it. Okay, thanks, brother. Thank you so much, bro. I'm sorry for that. Okay, guys. Okay, Richard, give me 10 minutes after 15 minutes. I'll send you the thing with the time. 20 minutes, half an hour, we'll do it, okay, afterwards. And you guys know that these ladies and gentlemen, there is an option to talk to me one-on-one, okay? It is in the join button, the join thing where you joined up for your membership. There's options in there, okay? There's 3 options, well actually only 2, but the third option is that. It's 4 times a month, depends, you can make it twice a month for twice as long. There's other, I'm easy to work with, but we can talk about whatever. Some of us just talk about nothing to us talk. We have, it's fun actually. We have some cool stuff. Planning trips, yeah, and just cool stuff, like anything. If you need somebody to talk to about anything, or we talk about whatever. It's frigging cool to do, right? It's different than off of this. So yeah, my friends, that option is there, okay? And I did that strictly for you guys, just so you know that, okay? Just because I know some people are private and they just don't want to talk about certain stuff, and that's the only way I can do it. I won't do it any other way, because I have privacy protections too, right? Okay, my friends. Okay, a reminder for the new people on the channel coming on right now. Christopher has the email up top. That's how you register. Your email to the master list that is sent out for everybody that wants to go to our other server. Okay, I'm gonna keep on saying that until the squeeze, you guys. Everybody's welcome to go there. The day of the squeeze, as soon as we see tons of it, it's gonna be changed. You need a full patch membership, VIP. You have to have a wolf head beside your name, okay? But it doesn't take you off the channel, just so you know that. You can do whatever you want. Hello. And also, Christopher has lifetime VPNs, unlimited access for $20, one-time fee for life. I had to tell you, he wanted me to keep on mentioning it. It's just, I see people coming in and out. I can see that. I can see everybody coming in and out on the channel. I can see it. I got a chart here on the monitor, right? So I can tell when we have an influx of new people come in, and I can tell who members are and who not. Or subs, I mean. Sorry, not members. Yeah, T, we're ready, bro. We are fucking ready. We are ready. Oh, let's, I do want to check the chart out today, guys. There's some things I wanted to look at. AMC's up 2%. There you go. It's already it's already on its way to what we were talking about, our tiers. Right? I wanted to make it up. We needed to get to the feared tier. The feared tier is the tier that the hedgies shit their pants and they start they get called and they start trying to find shares to cover it. That's the feared tier. That's when the short squeeze starts. Is the feared tier. That's when the wolf pack has them cornered in between the fucking cornered. Okay, so Tesla's back up to 1100, eh? American Virtue is on a rip. It's on a rip. Wow, still below the VWAP. Oh, they're playing around again. Oh no. They're trying to do a double whammy on open market. I'm not telling you what to do, guys. Stay the fuck away from this today. Not financial advice. Holy fuck. That's a fucking goof move. That's a total fucking goof move, man. What a bunch of fucking retards. Sorry, I just... This is sneaky shit. I can see it from a mile away, man. Wow. That's not fair. What the hell happened here with the fucking idiots? Oh, yeah. Oh, total planned. Look at this shit. What a bunch of fucking idiots. Not you guys. Look at this bullshit. Fuck. Wow. This is totally... And I bet you it bled up. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Let's see something. I want to see something here. This will hurt you. Okay? Yeah. Yep. I would watch this one. This will be down to about $1 by the end of the week. Watch. $1 something. A high dollar. This is set up for failure. That's bullshit right there. Oh, have a good one, guys. If you guys are taking off. Cam, good job. Oh, thanks. No, you guys are. You guys don't give yourself enough gratification. You guys are, man. You guys made the channel. I'm just fucking pushing it out there. Dogecoin slowly sneaking them a couple cents up. Fucking shitcoin's doing nothing. Cardano's up 6.83%. I fucking called that one. 6.8. So I made $600 today? No. 10,000. No, that's 60 bucks. I think it is. No, it's 10 grand. No, that's $600. But everything else is doesn't matter. Fuse Cobalt there. I lost it right there. Look at that 6 and 6. You win it, you lose it. Fucking BlackBerry, eh? Wow. Oh, look at the Prog. Oh my god. Oh my IISPC. All of these are... Fuck, I nailed this shit straight up, guys. All of this stuff, I even made videos on those too. Stay the fuck out of this shit. Unless you guys... Look at that. Fuck. Wow, this is gonna get bad. This will be down... That'll be down to $1.50 in the next fucking while here. This will go to 50 cents, eh? Just so you know, 40 cents, 20 cents in the fire sale. All of these stocks. There's nothing to... This prog actually has some shit that could potentially make it, but that don't mean anything on the market, right? Because it's fucking controlled. Wow, scary. Jeez, same... Hey, whoa. Whoa. Did you guys just catch this play here? Okay, look at this. Look at this. Watch this. You don't tell me that this is a fucking computer program running this thing. Okay, look at this. Look at this right here. This is an entity right here. Look at the VWAP. Look at the angle on the candle, the pitch. Okay, look at this. Look at that. Oh, pull back. See? Look at that. Look at the VWAP. Pretty crazy, eh? How the fuck can that be? One's at $10.50 and one's at $2. How can they both have the same system going on? They're both under the VWAP. They both have curled tails. Shit. Wow. I'll stop messing around. Wow. Crazy. Look at this. Okay, look at this. See the pull down right here? At the same time as that 27th in the middle of the night, dead center, mid pre-market. Okay, look at this. Drop down. Okay, look at the pull down right here, the V. Okay, look at this. Same time, opposite up though. Same thing, but opposite up. Opposite up, same. Wow. Anyways, I just see I'd noticed shit like that. It's just my mind, right? Fuck. I do not understand Sundial. They just announced some good more shit. They've released a couple more strains. They've signed a couple more fucking cancer fucking clinics on. Like, this doesn't make sense, man. This doesn't make sense. Sorry, guy. I feel bad because, fuck, you guys should be fucking... This should be up in the at least 30, 40, 50 buck range. It's suppressed big time. They got way too many shares out. They shouldn't have been issued that many shares. That's the problem. They should have only had 1 billion or probably like 800,000. It's too many shares. When I say that, it's because they can hide synthetics in there. Too many. Okay. That MMAT is another one. Wow. Naked's collapsing again. This one too, SOPA. It's another one. There's another one. Same shit. Starting to pull down too. It's up fucking 20% off today. Holy fuck, that's huge. SSR's kicked in on that. Okay, my friends. Boston Strong, I don't know about that one. I know all of you pretty much own it. Which doesn't hold me back from saying anything negative if I want to speak it, right? Let's have a look at it. I like to look at stuff before I open my mouth. Not that I don't trust it, just it's a lot of fucking red, man. So new, right? It hasn't had time to grow, really. Why doesn't it have... I'm missing something here. I'm missing something here. Where's their fucking portfolio? Doesn't tell anything on it. Step on the news here. Yeah, see. Fucking, yeah, this thing has a couple negative hits on it. They're worried about it being delisted. It's pretty close. How long has it been there? How long has it been? Unless they can't split it, I don't think. What the fuck? What am I doing here? Holy fuck. Whoa, come on. Doing too many. Yeah, it's so new. It's only this last year, right? It's only been out since last year. It's moved, what, 1 decimal place? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, fuck, it's not going that good. This one, is it going to be the next Bitcoin? Fuck no. No. No, it won't be. But, could it pull up? Yeah, it could. It could, for sure. Will it ever make it to $1? It's probably going to get delisted. You guys know that, right? Which doesn't do anything. It actually could help it. You know that, right? Because it stops all the goof action with the fucking bullshit with these fucking hedge funds attacking the shit out of it. It needs more time. It's too new. It's too new. If it gets delisted, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's an invisible cryptancy. Okay, there's a difference. Okay, it's already invisible, right? So the problem is it's with a material object that you can see. When they get delisted, it does damage. Okay, there's a total difference. It might even help it. It might have some more serious investors on it because it is what it is. But Dogecoin, Dogecoin would be nothing. It would be nothing unless there's only one guy that made that go. You know that by him talking about it. It is what it is. Dogecoin had, I don't know, I don't want to say anything because I don't have the factual information. It's just speculating, and I won't speculate. But this could, it's so new, right? Like, what's with Dogecoin here? What's the same, around the same time, right? They're so new. Like, that's the problem. You can't really, yeah, you can't, they're around the same time. You can't really judge something like that. It hasn't had time. You gotta wait a couple years, right? In 2 years, if it's still sitting around this price, it's not going to do anything. But I would, you guys know in your heart, if you like it, stick with it. Like Gloria, she fucking loves this stock. Stick with it, right? Dogecoin, some people made some good money on it. Some people got out and never deal with it again. It's had its go. That's what a lot of people think. It's already had its fame and shame, right? But a lot of people stand behind it. It's accepted at AMC theaters. That doesn't mean shit, actually. It doesn't mean anything. But it is what it is. The more places accept it helps it, but who walks around with a crypto wallet and pays for crypto for gas and all that stuff? Reality here, guys, right? That's a little bit ahead of human race a bit. Is it the future? Fuck yeah, right? Is it worth it to invest in these things ahead of time? Yeah, but I would wait until after the fire sale, my friends. You'll probably be getting this. You'll be paying fractional for this shit. Bitcoin will probably be down to the 10, 15, 20,000 again. Okay, could be. That's speculation. Okay, is it going to go down into the hundred thousands of dollars? No. So it is what it is. It is what it is. The problem with these cryptos is they keep on making more. Okay, when it runs out, the crypto block dries up, the link. That's when the thing fucking skyrockets. When it's done, there's no more to make, and it's stuck. That's it. It is what it is. That's when the price will go up big time. There's only a certain amount. It's a rarity. Okay, that's when yeah. And some of this shit's drying up. Okay, my friends. I can hear my kids are up barking. My kids actually bark, eh? So anyways, enough about this. Let's put it better, go on the meme, see? And I'm not trying to be Mr. Negative. I'm just tell it straight up how it is. And sometimes the truth fucking hurts. Trust me, my grandpa would always do that to me. Fucking, you're a negative old fucking bitch. My grandpa, and he took me aside and goes, young man, watch your fucking mouth. No, I didn't say that. I would never say that to him. But he would show me some things, right? And he would, nobody owes you shit, right? And if you get something, you look after it, because more will come, right? And that's what it is. And I'm 3 times as successful as him in his life. Yeah, my grandma told me that lately. She said was crazy, and I used his knowledge to the power of 10 because I'm more hyper and I do things to the more aggressive. So it was his knowledge that I used. So anyways, my friends, do you have any other questions at all? Yeah, Boston Strong, yeah. It's all good, man. That's up to you what you guys do. Like, I'm going to play the crypto market too. I could have made some money on, if I'd make some money right now if I swing traded, swing traded, that's because that's daily. If I sold some, my crypto Cardano, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'll buy some of it, and I will sell and buy. I'm going to have one I'm going to do fucking plays on, okay? Then I'm going to do the sweeps like this, ride the wave, and I'm just, that's a money machine. Cardano has those waves. Only certain stocks have those waves that you can ride. They're predictable, right? It takes a couple months to ride the wave. They're long waves. They're gradual waves, right? But it is so predictive, that stock. Predict them. You can predict that shit. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Raphael. Yeah, because they're only covered up to 500,000 or 200,000. And that's for all of your stocks. That's not just for one. Robinhood and Webull could go bankrupt. You guys know that, right? You guys know that. But I'm not trying to scare you. I know a bunch of people that have just traded in the last. They're switching. They're done. They're out of that shit. They're actually in these accounts, and they're actually moving shit right now as we speak. That's one of the things I do also on this private chatting. We come up with plans and solutions to shit. Problem solving. I'm a problem solver. That's what I do for work. That's what I do. I contract especially to that kind of stuff. They want a bridge built across a river. I can give you different options on how to do it. Somebody comes to me with an issue of having to fix something. They broke a bucket on an excavator, but they have to get it done. There's nobody, you'd have to fly a helicopter in here. I can fabricate and modify stuff to make a modification to the pin that snapped. Put a sleeve over it, sleeve it, put it inside there, weld the ends on it, and then use it as a temp. It's things like that, okay? It's ingenuity, okay? I'm master at that shit. My wife says it all the time. So that's what I do is I help. I love helping. So what I do is I help some people. That's what they want, right, on that voice chat stuff, and that's what we'll do. We'll set up a certain amount of stuff because I can't legally talk about it here, and we'll set up a certain amount of stuff, and instead of moving everything at once, there's a system to do it. Okay, protection. You always have to look out for yourself because nobody else will do it. It's all about protection and comfort. Okay. And yes, there's issues happening with Webull and Robinhood. We knew this months ago, but it's getting bad. They're actually putting disclaimers out there because their fine print doesn't cover this shit. So now it's $500,000 maximum. We're not saying that they'll pay that. That is maximum. $250,000 cash is fucking chump change. Okay? And that is a factual legal document. Okay? To show that that's the maximum. That doesn't mean they have to pay it. That's their maximum by law. That you have to display the max, right? That doesn't mean you'll get that. That means that there's a cap. Okay, that's scary as shit. Took about a weekend. Oh, thank you, Boston Strong. Thank you, brother. Thanks for divulging some personal information there, and thank you. That I know some people that will be watching this later on today that are actually in the middle of a transfer. And guys, remember on Fidelity to go into your settings and opt out of share lending. Okay, you can do that on that platform. I know for a fact you can do it on there. And just so you're aware, don't listen to the bullshit from the other YouTubers about Fidelity. Okay, you're not getting real shares when you do a transfer. That's why it takes a week. It's all fucking bullshit. Don't listen to that. Forget about the real share, fake share shit. We all own fake shares, okay? You got to get that out of your head, okay? Just do the transfer and forget about all that shit, okay? Worry about your selling features and protection of yourself, okay? With screen recorders, your system of selling, your fucking your channels, your tiers, okay? Worry about that stuff. Worry about how many devices you have set up, your fucking selling strategies. Okay? Worry about that stuff. Don't worry about all this fucking other shit. Okay? We'll deal with it when it comes, if it comes. Okay? You're going to have your stuff in court. You'll have all your factual information if you do what I'm saying. You need to do that, or else you're going to be one of these YOLOs on Reddit. Okay? I had $2 million, but now I got... Okay? You don't want to be one of those. And yes, there's going to be lots of them. Okay? You don't want to be one of those. And if it does go sideways, I'm going to be representing you guys. We're fucking golden. Okay? No fucking piece of shit's going to take my wolf pack out. Okay? So we talked about that on the channel, on the VIP thing yesterday. If it comes to a class action lawsuit, I will be representing Canada with a team of fucking lawyers, okay? We have about 7,000 to 8,000 hours minimal of documented stock bullshit, of high frequency trading, ladder attacks. It's all documented on the channel. I got backups. I just backed up all my videos onto a hard drive. Woozy Chick is in the house, and there you go. Wow, you guys rocking that wolf. Oh yeah, you got emojis you can use, guys, for the new members. You got a whole whack of emojis. I'll throw some out right now. I'll throw all of them out. And I can add more now, actually. There you guys go. There's all the emojis you got. I can add some more because the more people that join, the more I can allow. What do you guys want on there for emojis? What do you guys want? There's a couple X-rated adult ones on there. They're fucking hilarious, but I just don't want any kids to come across that. And it is rated adult only content, but that's up to you guys. There's some fucking hilarious ones on the round, especially for the ladies against the guys. I wouldn't do the reverse because it could be taken as the wrong way. As guys degrading women, is a serious issue across the world. But the other way around, I think it's kind of funny, right? So it's up to you guys. That's right, Jerry. Yep, I would. I'd get the fuck out of there, man, with those brokers. You guys have already had heads up with GameStop, my friends. Look at those guys. It was a class action, a sped up class action. They got nothing. They got like a quarter, a 16th of what they said they were supposed to get. There you guys go. Oh, Best and Strong, thanks. Oh, there we go. Boston Strong, thank you, brother. AZ is awesome, and Android has. Apple has their own iPhone, has their own screen recorder. Okay. Okay, I can. Thank you, Sanjay. You're golden. Okay, I will find that out. He might want to do a transfer. You want an ape father emoji? I can do that for you guys. Fuck yeah, I can put one on there. I can do that. I'll write that down. You guys, I told you guys build the channel. It's just if I put that on, I don't want any degrading comments behind it all the time, though. Okay, guys? Because you're picking on somebody that's less fortunate than most people. And I'm not. I mean, I could say that laughing, but there's all the cylinders aren't firing. Okay, he has definitely. Like I said, I wrote him an email, a personal email, giving him my 2 cents and just as a friendly email. It was a good email, right? My concerns. I'm actually a little bit worried about him, right? He's going to have a fucking heart attack. He takes everything too personal, the way that people talk about him. And he just opened up the floodgate to people that fucking start burning him. He's going to get roasted, the roast session, right? There's my pen. But yeah, I don't mind the guy, actually. There you go, Gloria. You're happy. Does it have voice recognition and keystrokes? When I say a keystroke is when you push the button and it records that on the screen, which is awesome. And then the voice recognition. My friends, wolves, you gotta talk to your phone when you're doing this shit. I know it sounds stupid, right? But you gotta talk. Oh, I'm trying to sell this many shares on market order. Talk to it, even if it goes through. Talk to it. Oh, okay. Look at I'm being whatever. It got returned for this, because even though if it doesn't happen right away, if it fucks up, it shows a pattern. Okay, the price is this. Okay. It works. The screen recorder works. It works in my advantage for an out of court. I got a settlement within. From the TD Bank, I got a settlement within 2 hours, a cash deposit, okay? Because of the fucking problems with GME and AMC, okay? They pulled it off the market. You could not buy the friggin' thing. It was on there 10 minutes and it was gone for like a day. He said, no, that's your something was wrong with your phone. Oh, fuck, no, you got fucking, man, I'll come through this fucking phone after you, fucker. Yep. Is this the VIP lounge? No. No. Whimsy Chick, no, it's a totally separate server. It's off of YouTube. Totally, it's totally different. There is no regulations on there. None, except us. Christopher, oh yeah. Whimsy, Beliath, say, you do have a cool name. And I'm just saying, I will put the emoji, Ape Father thing up there. I got to say that because before you send some negative comments, you got to remember you're picking on somebody that's disabled, less fortunate than you. Okay, that's all I was gonna say. So what I'm gonna do is go to the top, there, girl, and send this email to Christopher. He's a really nice guy. He's the guy with one of our moderators, and you just want to ask him to send you to put you on the list. Yeah, it's still up there. To put you on the master list, okay? And he probably already did, but you should just message him anyways. Oh. There you go, Gloria. You're happening. You're happening. Just make sure it has voice recognition with that software. And my friends, so you're not, make sure that you got an SD card in your phone. And if you do not have an SD card, or even if you do, back it to a fucking cloud. Don't pay for the shit. Don't pay for it. There's free shit out there, like the voice recorder. I can't see her name too. I know. I was having issues with that too. Beautiful name though. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Clouds are free. Google, you have up to 15 gigs. In the screen recorder, downplay the info. Okay, when I say downplay the information, downplay the data. Put your phone on 720. Do not go 4K or 1080. That burns double the data. You don't need high definition. You don't need to be able to see your nose hairs and fucking pores of your skin. The court doesn't care about that stuff. Okay? They care about face recognition. You have to do, I would recommend HD though. HD starts at 720. Okay? SD is no good. That's VHS quality. It's shit. Okay? So I would recommend doing that. Yes, okay, Sanjay's the moderator. He doesn't want it. Okay, done. I kind of agree on that one, but that's, yeah, leave the man alone. Okay, yeah, I agree. So think of something else, my friends. It is what it is. There's cool shit out there. Just give me an ideas. I need some ideas, my friend. Because we just got, I did look and we got access to two more emojis we can put on our channel. Yeah. I'm just trying to think. I can't think of any. I have problems with that anyways. Because I put 20 things on there and then I narrow it down to none. Because I got to think of discrimination, racism, which is the fucking number one on my chart. I do not play that shit. So those things and stereotyping shit. I don't like branding. Okay? I hate fucking branding unless it's my brand. No, but you know what I mean. So okay, so emojis. So I'll leave that with you guys right now. You guys can help me out. Dodge tier. Yeah, we can do that, Tess. Yeah. Dodge emoji. TRX. Yeah, we can do that. Boston. I am not a YouTuber. That is fucking, you guys all know who that is, eh? That's like I'm not human. Yeah, exactly. There you go, Gloria. So yeah, back to what I was saying. Sorry, I go sideways all the time. I divert my conversations. That's where the one thing that Lucifer and myself have in common. An echo emoji. There you go. Rockets. So back to that. Google has a Google Drive plus Google Photos. You have up to 15 gigs. You can always make another account. They're free with Google. You can have, I have 3 or 4 of them. Well, that's 60 gigs of data. And you can always purge the videos too, okay? So once you do it, you can purge them. You can get rid of them, okay? You can put them on a strike list. So the ones that you don't have any, and you can do that at the end of this, halfway through the squeeze. But I would not, because something might be good information, you might not think about it at the time until something fucks up. So be careful with that. I would have 2 different email addresses in my phone. Call it squeeze number 1, squeeze number 2. Okay. And it's just strictly used for data compiling. Okay. There you guys go. 720 will run way. It's literally half a 1080 on time. I know because I do Android boxes about data consumption. Okay. It is what it is emoji, because I always say that. I could get that. I was gonna get some wolf paws, but it's kind of hard. Devil emoji, I could do that. We have to get some cool devil ones though. Devil, echo. Yeah, we could get it because I will always have an echo issue. Wolf Dreamcatcher. Yeah, that's cool. Some native art. Oh fuck yeah, dude! I can get some good shit right from Vancouver here. Luna, can you? Because I ask dumb questions too. Okay, I've been seeing this Luna everything everywhere. What is it? It's like being a squid. Okay, we used to say squid back in the day, or being a fish, or something like that, or a truck. Okay, those are sayings from back in the day. Now they have what is it? A shill. I didn't know what it was. Somebody had to tell me, right? I had to look it up, but the definition is kind of fucked up. I don't think half the people even know it. Yeah, what is it? Luna, chop. You keep on saying it. A squeeze emoji. We could have that. What is Luna? I know I ask dumb questions too. I like you have to remember I'm older, but Sandy's crying. Where's it? Rockets? Yes, wolf dream catcher. Missing cat. Oh fuck. You're just picking Lambo emoji. We could do that. You guys are picking on Lucifer. You're picking on Lucifer. Is there? Because a lot of, I know Luna, maybe that's something with you. It's popping up everywhere. I've been seeing, or maybe because I've never noticed it before. A fudge shill emoji, those are easy to find. I could do that. I could get those. Those are easy. I could actually get those. That's easy for me to get. Oh, okay. So it's to do with Lou. Okay. I didn't understand. Okay. That I get now. Okay, I definitely won't. That's hilarious. But I won't be putting that. Have Luna? I have Luna? Okay. I have Luna. Okay, FUD. Shill. That's a definitely must. That is cat is not coming back. I gotta watch because I don't want to be claimed as an animal hater here. Yes, on the VIP lounge. Yes. There you go. Axe the cat. Holy fuck, Sanjay. Chop. Okay, I get it. Yeah, that's hilarious. You guys are fucking hilarious. I gotta watch putting referring to countries and shit too. That's you gotta. I'm telling Lou, that's hilarious. FUD, shill. Cam, I have a cat that looks like. Do you? Oh, that's hilarious. You better watch yourself. Okay, I got a whole list of shit here. See these? Look at this. This is what I do, and I preach what I tell. Look at this. See? Sticky notes. See, I have lots of stuff to do. All the time. Okay, my friends, we're going to wrap this. we're gonna wrap this up today. What time is it? Yeah, oh fuck, we're way over schedule. I gotta do some. I got some work to do here with some of our subs. So I'm gonna wrap this. I gotta go get something to eat. I gotta go talk to the wifeski, and my kids. And you guys, leave Luna alone. That's hilarious. That's like having Trey in his lamp. That was fucking stupid. That was stupid shit, man. So anyways, guys, wolves of the pack, thank you to thank you, and you deserve it. You deserve that membership, guys. That Wolf Lounge, okay? You deserve that shit. You deserve to have personal protection. You deserve freedom of rights of speech. You deserve not to be discriminated against, and that's what YouTube does. Okay? Our other server, you can do whatever the hell you want on there, right? So I just want to tell you, you guys deserve that, okay? And that's what Christopher has done for you as a moderator, and Sanjay and myself. We've offered you guys that platform, okay? So yeah, now you do not need to worry about anything. You not need to worry about, oh fuck, I'm gonna be getting sued for the. You don't need to worry about that shit, okay? Oh yeah, I know that is. That is not. It's all good, guys. It's all good. It's all good. Okay. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you all that I love you lots, Wolfpack, and we've come a long ways. I'm very, very, very happy and proud of you guys, because I've seen a huge shift in the channel, a huge shift, big time, into the knowledge and the power and the aggression that you guys have in your, and when I say that, that's in a positive way, that you guys, and this is just my words, right? These are my words that I make and put power behind for you guys. I support you, right? And I've seen this huge growth, just in the words and just the way that this is how it's done. This, and a lot of it's from the ladies on the channel, and it's pretty cool to see. You guys are making some good money, lots of money. Okay, that foundation is going to be pretty good. Okay, and you guys, I like how you respect my ways. I really, and now that I've had to show a couple of you guys, because you're a very like me in a lot of ways, not the butt heads, but you just need to see the angle, or see the factual information in front of you. I proved that. I provided that tenfold. Okay, so now that we've got the information out and you've gained my trust and I've gained your trust, now we've teamed up and we're fucking unstoppable now. And holy shit, have we proved that on that channel, on the VIP channel, some of the shit that we've come up, you guys have helped me, and wow, I've showed you guys the how to make this squeeze turn into a multi-squeeze of income. Okay, and there you guys go. This squeeze we've turned into 3-4 ways of making double the money on it, triple the money, quadruple the money than the average person. Okay, it's called knowledge. Knowledge is power, but just use it for the right things. Later, wolves. Peace. Oh, tomorrow is 5:30. Back to work. Different hours. Bye.